I don't worry about them pagans. Me done to them through me Ray-Ban. Teach them so we no worried about them roaches. Cause me done have me vegan. And we no worry about life. But me worry about the height. Tell them me no worried about what gone already. When me worry about what not gone yet.
I am here vibing with one of the most talented, creative, complete and humble artists in the business. His parents named him Roy Thompson, but we know him as
Bugle.
Father of
World
Yokes.
like Google.
Yes, I cover the world like Google. All is well, sir?
Yeah,
It's a
life
joy.
still well, you know.
Mad thing. Give thanks, give thanks.
Cause if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God, him never sleep, him wake, him no make mistake. So blame it on the friends, them in the surrounding way. And me say, what have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not no criminal, and what have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Come at my funeral, and what have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not no criminal, and what have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Me mean that literal.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So you say all is well?
Life still well.
Makes sense. Life still well. Talk to us though. Early life. Place of birth.
Portland.
Portland.
A place named Spring Hill.
Spring Hill, Portland.
Buff Bay and go up on the hill there.
Yeah.
Spring Hill because everything up there grow. Anything that you plant up there, so it grows. So
Yes.
I assume so that's why
That's why.
Spring Hill still.
So Portland with the boat land.
Portland
That's what
with
we
the
culture
boat
say.
land. It's not a joke land.
Is that a joke land?
Yeah. That's where I'm far
Yeah.
from.
Siblings though, how many brothers and sisters?
My parents get 11 now, you know.
11 on them.
Yeah. 6 girls, 5 boys.
And a
Same
mommy
mother,
and same mother, same father.
Same father.
11.
11.
6 girl, 5
5
boy. All your siblings still alive?
No, unfortunately. I lose one of my sister, like when she just born, basically.
Wow.
And then my brother, who actually was my first general, where music is concerned, passed a couple of years ago.
My condolences.
Give thanks.
Mommy and daddy still around?
No, daddy passed 10 years ago.
Yeah.
My mom is still around.
Mommy still a fight to fight.
My mom is fresh.
Fresh. Give thanks, but we're happy to hear that. So schooling, where did they attend school?
Yeah, man. Same place up on the hill.
Yeah.
Burnhamwood Primary School. You know. My best time of my life, basically. You know. Going to school, them time the farmer, like, you just well want school more than anything else.
What them days are.
You know, man say as a little youth, you just want, all when you don't have lunch. Because my family did really poor still. But me never know so we did poor still, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't know what is poor. I just know that's something I live and you know me appreciate that's something I'm supposed to live.
Yeah.
You see? So all when I want book and you know so you should the book in your back pocket because I say we go to school and the whole of your friend them I live the same way how you are live. So you don't know if them I live better than you.
It just seemed natural.
It just natural. For me it was so natural and real and you know, in the hills and river run right behind the school, so you know that go.
Yes.
The mango tree, them, the plum tree, them, you name it, the right at the school, so. You understand?
Yes.
So all when you don't have lunch money, you still have lunch because the mango tree, they're right there, so.
And you said,
know that,
yeah,
no?
yeah. And you said, mommy and daddy never make what? You never hungry?
No. Because my father was a farmer. You see, and him plant everything. As I said, Spring Hill is a place where everything spring. You see what I say? So
Yes.
my father was a farmer where them man they plant everything. It's not a case where, okay, just because coffee is the main thing up in the hill.
Yes.
You see, but through every man coffee farm, you have banana, you have plantain, you have soursop,
Like
you
scrapping.
name it, you have yam, everything around through the coffee farm, same way. You understand what I say?
Yes.
So as one thing done, the next one start.
Yes.
You know what I say? So you can't hungry, you can never hungry.
Yeah.
Because if you don't have mango, you have apple. If
Something
you have
always in
something
season.
always there, the banana, there, the plantain, there. You see what I say? I mean, them time the farmer like, it's not like in a Kingston which part you just get a banana for buy around there, so and a ripe banana. You go out the bush and you say 5 bunch of banana actually are ripe on the tree. With bird I eat them. You know that kind of vibe and you say, yo, yeah.
So your schooling finished where? Primary school. So no formal tertiary, nothing.
No.
So after school, what did you? And you completed school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So after schooling, what Mr. Thompson did back then?
Actually, as soon as I done school, I done with Portland. And the reason for that is because I wanted to be where studio is.
So from early, I had that
From
musical
early,
drive.
I have that musical drive there. My music started in school when I beat the desk. I think used to forward on the radio. I think it was on Friday night time with a brother host it when him, I think Bugle.
Bugle.
You remember them thing there?
I remember
Some
exactly,
red
but I know
label.
Bugle
It was some red label
yeah.
thing when I forward on the radio them time
cool.
there. And that is something me used to listen to every Friday night as a little youth. I have to listen to that and I hear Lieutenant Stitch them and someone and I say, wow. And the joy where you get from that is a different energy. That no matter what miss me, this can't miss me.
Yeah.
Sports and everything else will miss me, but this can't miss me. I have to pray this. And my brother will pass now, realize the love I have for music. From them time, so he make sure I listen to it.
Oh, he was your bigger brother?
He was my bigger brother. Well, I have a smaller brother still.
Oh, yeah, there.
I have the youngest brother.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I have 2 younger sisters still. But
Okay.
you see, so he make sure. So when me start listen to them and then now, listen to Lieutenant Sichi Papa's son, a brother named Peter Metro, me hear my DJ back way. And I say, man, can really do that?
Back way talk.
Yeah, Peter Metro, me hear do that. And I say, man, can really do that? Back way. But Lieutenant Sichi and Papa's son now, like them man, they have one different kind of vibe. Them man, they bring one different thing to music when me I listen to them. And it wow me so much till me start flip Stitchy song them. So when Stitchy I sing theme song theme way,
Yes.
me I sing theme song my way.
Rearrange.
Rearrange it. So guess what go on? Me I give the same Stitchy melody and flow and everything, but my lyrics. You see? So it now refer to Stitchy and not the dreadlocks of if it's a kind of living. It refer to me and my bridging them now. To the point which part the man them start calling me Country Stitchy. So that was my first artist name.
Country Stitchy.
You see?
So Stitchy was an early influence.
Yes, Stitchy and Papa's son was my 2 first influence musically.
So yes, so when you finish school, you're done with Portland.
Yeah, because when I said done with Portland, I mean I migrate.
Yeah, man.
Because I wonder which part studio there. Because this time now, when I DJ in a school and them things, there's like me I get more attention in my classroom more than the teacher.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, I already think.
And I always I get called up. Me sit down in every bench in my classroom, you know, because me have to do this so because me I get too much trouble this so. And when I say trouble, it's just music. And then me I forgot this so, and then me I forgot this and you understand?
Move up, every bench.
Every bench. Until when school concert forward now.
Yeah.
My teacher challenged me now. She said, you always do this in the classroom. So see you get a stage there for go do it now. Go sing at the school concert. And me excited because my little friend them in my classroom love what me I do.
Yeah, star.
So me well want get a chance to go do this now for make more people see. And trust me from I run out and start sing. I don't remember the song them because me write so much time from them time up until
Hold
now.
on. You were writing from...
Yeah man, because as I say, I flip Stitchy them thing.
Yes.
You understand what I say? And when me run out and sing, whatever I sing them time, the whole school a tear down. And you know, them time when school concert I keep, you go have outside bigger youth in the community where DJ, where I go forward and come sing. And them come and sing and them mash up the place too because every community have star, you know.
True that.
And superstar, community superstar, you know.
True that.
You see, and nobody never really know about me. Because I just in a classroom, I do this as a 10-year-old, 11-year-old youth. But when my teacher actually put me to the test now, and I run out and the whole school mash up now, like them I say, you're bad. So of course, everybody where they at school now, you know, remember the same people in the community.
Yes.
So the whole community actually I know now, because I remember when school concert I go and everybody parents forward. So everybody know about me as a little artist in the community now. So guess what go on now? Youth club concert I keep now. So outside of school and I have to go DJ upon youth club concert. And it's the same procedure from I touch the stage I start close the show them now, you know. A different energy. Yeah, Christmas time, over Portland, which part me forward from on Christmas is a particular sound used to forward this in a Spring Hill when I'm upsetter.
Upsetter.
You see, that sound they used to forward every Christmas. Big sound, like everybody and them grandmother and them grandkids and them cousin and them uncle forward and upsetter come. And upsetter always I bring artists from town. But when me DJ upon upsetter, no matter who forward from town and my place,
sure.
me are the star. And me at tell you, me a lick to you them time.
All the artists are from town forward it.
No matter who. So guess what going on now? The whole of that is actually what give me that drive there for know so I need to do which part studio there. And that's why as soon as I done with school, I did have to just migrate.
Yeah, so how did you come to Kingston to stay with you?
To tell you the truth in a farm, it's just family friend.
Just family friend.
Just people I know from in the hills, we live in the city, and me and them cool, and them know some I love the music thing too because I basically grew up with them family in the country. And I say, yo, I want forward that town, and him say, forward man, and I forward.
So what did your parents have to say about your desires to do music though?
My father never into that. My father always said, go look at real trade. Music is not real trade. You need something good to do with your life. And my mother always said, now listen to him. Whatever you want, do whatever make you happy, whatever make you comfortable, go pursue that. No pay him no mind.
Yes. So daddy never pleased.
Daddy no know, so mommy tell me this still.
I understand that, man.
You see, but daddy never pleased. Daddy never pleased.
I suppose.
One of the things I'm happy about is daddy to see my glory. Because my boss 2007 and him passed 2010. So him see 3 years of the glory.
Give thanks, man.
Give thanks.
Give thanks. So you're forward at town now. How old were you when you reached the city?
This is like 17.
17?
16, 17.
So what was the journey like from you coming to town now to you starting to get a foothold in the business?
Life just began.
Life just began.
All I did I go on a Portland a joke. It was just a little, that's a prep school.
Prep school. High school there now?
Reach a high school now. You see? And when I stay suburb and reaching out the town now, and me amongst, them people who I shouldn't even dare on the ends there, because, you understand? We're not related, we're not blood relative. And who on the house not even there about, but they don't know. So we are going to build and we are all our energy. And I'm good with the people, and them good with me, same way too. Until them have to migrate now. You see? So me and the Virgin always I take on the road, but I still never reach on a studio.
Okay.
You see? So what happen now is them migrate. And while them are migrate now, I have to leave the house because nobody now there at the house because everybody are cut. You see? So one of the girls them used to live at the house now, me and her boyfriend at the time, they'd build a real good relationship. He come from Norman Garden, him named Devon Thomas. Some of them have to end up a bill with Devon for a moment. Stay Saboma may build with Devon for a moment, but Devon place is not really accommodating for me because Devon live with his mother and him 2 uncles and well siblings. And you understand? So I never really 100% comfortable because of that. But Devon always are trying best to accommodate me in whatever way he could.
Thanks to Devon.
And big up Devon. You see in some states now, boom, and next bridging now where they actually I talk to a girl where they live at the same house too. Actually I work with a construction company downtown named Interior Construction as a supervisor. And I link him and I say, Mark, here we are going, I can't get like a little work and think you done. And I say, what you talk about, man? Come in, man. Say so boom and forward down there, I do a little work and thing. And I say, yeah, this not look bad. I don't even remember how much I get, but I like lunch money I get for pay still.
Yeah.
You see? But I do what I have to do. You see? Because you don't know me a little youth and this happen and me decide say me want this and me left country, left my people in place and everything. So I have to find my way out. And I can't come here so come be no fool neither. You understand? So while me stay so now and get the little job down at town now, down at the construction company, me stay so boom and a brethren live over Corville where Portland, me know him from same way, yellow. I'm related to enough people when I'm good with that Portland. Me and him always a connect. So I always reach forward to Corville to link him. And I end up to get a 1 room for rent a 1 part over Corville. You see? This me I reach about 20 now.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, so you done sit about 3 years.
Yeah. I'm stay so boom and me a link with Yellow, and because I live at Corville now, I pay a little rent and rent. Yellow live in the scheme and me live around a metals there. So.
Yeah.
And I link with Yellow and a virgin live right in front of Yellow named Pablo. Pablo is like one of the best person I ever know in my life. Like, I love Pablo like.
Still around?
Yeah. Pablo, trust me. Anthony Richard, you're my general, you're my Danny, you're my father, you're my brother, you mean the world to me, I love you. You see, Pablo live right across from Yellow, and me and Yellow and Pablo apart. Pablo have a good job, Pablo alone living in his house, and we there and we apart every day, and I do the little work and thing, and me and Pablo become so close. And one day Pablo said to me, so I wish Pablo was here live, and I tell him everything we are going on. And him say, yo, me alone living in the house, you know. You can't control a bedroom there, you know.
Mad.
And I say, for real? And him say, yeah, man. I say, all right. And I say, so boom, and cut from round there, so. And still at work, and me and Pablo are Bill now, and Yellow, and the energy and the vibe and the music get more easier for me now because I'm comfortable now, which part I'm down to deal with the music.
Yeah, so while you were working, you were still...
Yeah, the least look opportunity we get, but I always are right. No matter what,
right,
I always have a whole heap of book loaded with song. You see? So when me stay so now, boom, and live over the building now, is when me really try to spend more time with the craft. You understand? So I start go to studio now. Before me even start go to studio, we hang out on the front now because Yellow, one of them youth that we know me from Portland and know the talent.
Yes.
So him always bring me up on the front and make me know the man them, Daddy Lep and the whole of the man them, you know, Billy them and Duck man them and say, yo, I'm a little artist bridging this and Portland, you know, him live in the place now, him bad, you know. And you don't know. From you reach there so and a man introduce you as an artist, the first thing the man them are gonna say, make me hear you. That are the first thing, you know, man, you can't itch.
Yeah,
and from the man them say, make me hear you. Lyrics are spit. And a youth over there when named Jergan, we call him Daddy Lep. It's when him start this. The man they play rhythm like the whole rough cut band the whole night. And we do that like the first time a DJ over Corville, right up at H Block, me have a DJ every night. Stage show I keep every night. You see, every night stage show I keep, and we do the work same way, and we are forward in the evening time, and we are going to go all with vibes, and Duckman as a big DJ, you have Feeder as a little artist, same way you have Splendid as a little artist, and enough little man forward on the ends and DJ every night, but like made it so special because me forward with something where none of the man them on the ends never have. Pure lyrics. So me can DJ from now until daylight because me have vocal lyrics.
Yeah.
You understand? So at night time I start forward out now like the man them and say, make we hear the one where you write today before you go in at the other one them. Because them know say me write something today.
Yes.
You see, and that's so we just dip on the ends and we just a DJ go away, a DJ go away, a DJ go away. Until one day now, me reach work late. And the supervisor say, why you forward? Why you reach late? And I say, well, because a bus me have to take. He say, yeah, but that means say you need to take an earlier bus. So I say, well, guess what go on? You see, the same time I forward out this morning is the same time I come out every other morning. So it's not my fault why me reach late today. And he said to me, say, I'm going to give you 2 days. And when you can start, come early. So I say, start come early. I come early every day. One day I'm late. He say, well, when you can not late again, then you come back at work. And I say, here what? I not take 2 days, I take every day. I not come back. and I just never go back. Mr. Moby, big up yourself, because that way you do actually do something for me. And I not forget them things, I not forget names neither. And I never see it as a disrespect.
Yes.
I see it as a motivation, because it helped me. So when I forward in and I tell Pablo what I go on, Pablo say, yeah, well, don't go back. Everything good, don't worry about that. Just focus on your music, because Pablo rate me too, you know, like Pablo say, yo, you're going to make it one of them days, you know, just go and write. You know, just go and write. And I just not go back, and I start go studio. Duckman is the first man actually
Okay,
bring
the
me go
studio.
King Jammy studio.
Jam is the first studio you go.
No, back in the earlier
Yeah.
part when me did them amongst the people that me just found in the
Yes.
city, the same brethren when me did go amongst over Norman Garden, Devon Thomas, did bring me go record something,
Okay.
a mixing lab.
Mixing lab.
But from that, me never really go back on no studio. Until Duckman bring me go King Jammy studio now one Saturday morning. Walk across Kalalubed and go through the gully and go up a waterhouse. And I said, whoa, a beer man and Doulas them and beer man that studio. And you see, I don't remember if Coach did it. I remember a brother named Turbo Belly or something.
Turbo Belly.
I remember him specifically because him did a DJ the morning when me reach. And Black Mice them and them man they did it. And Duckman I say, yo, I'm a bad artist, this I'm been telling you about, you know. So when Duckman said, been telling you about, me I say, oh, so I'm over here then, man. Because Duckman don't tell them about me. And of course, you have to prove yourself again. Because Duckman didn't tell you about you, you know. So you have to prove it. I'm a DJ one time and I me that. I win.
Yeah?
DJ one time and the man them welcome me. And you don't know. Me and Duckman never used to par on a daily basis still. I just threw the link with Corville. And you understand me I say?
Yes.
So I end up now start link with a youth named Spacer, Donovan Lubar. And him connect with Papa San. Him and Papa San have a label named Survival.
Yeah.
You see? I start link with Spacer now as a Corville youth. Start link with Spacer and him a do him thing. Him have a couple artists and then him add me to him list. Bring me to Papa San, I'm a DJ again, and Papa San say, youth, where you come from? You're bad. But me do have my pre, all of that what Sana said to me, you know. The only thing me I pre is, and the brother you inspire me, you know.
That me there think to myself.
Yeah. And I said, that brother yeah. And me even my pre said, me and him a good all family too, you know, because we have same last name. And so me a pre them time there. You see?
Yeah.
And to tell you the truth to how me and Son connect is like, all of the artists them what Son did have, is like him put me right above them. So I was right here. Me I am first artist now, even though I'm me forward last.
Yes.
You see, and me and Papa San have a solid energy. In time that we are par with Chipey, him the writer, so right now, my brethren, me and him and Donovan, him did have the car. You see, me never have no vehicle or nothing. Because me I say, you don't know the thing going in our 20s and we have mash up the road. And Chipey have a little Nissan. And we are taking on the studio them every day. So we end up with a big ship now. Start para big ship. Them time I Steve about 80 years old. You know. Yeah. Steve do commercial with milk on him out and everything. Them time the Lasco just run the place. And them thing that go and we start hang out a big ship every day. Papa Son. Them time I start meet people like Cutty Rank now and Tony Rebel and different people. Where I say Half Pint, I think me say Dennis Brown a few times before him passed during them time there. Benji Myers, Mikey Spice, them man they know. So me start with different people. You see? But out of every artist when me meet outside of Lieutenant Stitchy and Papa San, Bounty Killer was the man who was my greatest influence after Papa San.
Oh.
But I meet whole heap of artists and I still never meet Bounty Killer. Me live at Corville and Bounty Killer used to forward at Corville because even Bounty Killer Barber was a youth, mice in a Corville. You see, so we know Killer like that. And me and him never have a one-to-one conversation, but I see him all the time forward in a Corville. And to tell the truth, King, I like, as me I say, after Stitchy and Son, Killer was one of them man that were. Him convinced me with everything what him say. So when Killer say, people dead, me believe say somebody dead for truth. like me convinced Cold Bumper taking everything, just throw him vice, a cut and him serious with it. And every time you see him look angry, like him really kill people for truth and them thing there. The aggression and everything. So and his marketing, which is good because you can't say you're a bad man and every time you see you laugh and me I go say I want laughy bad man this. You understand? So that actually convinced me, say, yeah, Killer bad for true.
Yeah.
Killer the baddest thing. Like, you couldn't tell me, say, Bounty are never the baddest thing.
Yeah.
And me not talk about just music neither. I have him as one real bad boy when a boy can ramp with Killer. And of course, nobody couldn't ramp with Killer neither. So me did convinced by everything what Killer did I do. And me love that. Me personally love that. You understand? So out of all this time, I still want, no matter who me I meet, I still would really love to meet Bounty Killer. You see? And it reached to the point now where Papa San gone into the church.
Man,
This is close after we link San gone into the church. I sing the whole of this in our song, you know. When name Life Savior, you know.
Yeah, you know what I say? That the lizard send me go do it.
You know, say, I say something to you before we even start the interview.
Brother, we don't do all the song the past,
oh,
brother.
you don't
Big
know
bad
that song
thing, but everything good, man. We go do more work, sir.
Yeah.
Do more work.
Yeah, come I post it on my page.
You see you post it, man.
Post
Man,
it on
tag
my
me
page.
right, man. So me
Yeah,
see everything.
and big up Daddy Lizard too, because it shows, you know, your music now fall upon deaf ears. Some people might not tell you, but everybody still a listen.
True.
Some people now go come out come say, yo, Bugle are one of the baddest thing, but them still listen and deep in themselves, but them just not give the glory out loud. Them probably give it when them alone in them camera say, yo, Bugle bad for truth, you know. But him now go up on an interview go say, yo, you understand what I say? But we still give thanks, no matter what, because me not try to prove nothing to nobody, you know. Me just do music, me I do something what I love.
Simple.
And me I do this from me a liquor boy, and me no know nothing about hype and money or nothing when me get involved in a music. Me no know no artist, me no know nothing when nobody have.
Yes.
So me no know what no man achieve out of music. I just something where me genuinely love and decide say, I want to pursue this and bring it to as far as me can bring it to. You understand me I say? So when Stitches stays a boom and forward in the church now it's like when Son stays a boom and forward in the church now it's like a wilderness to me again, you know.
Out there.
Because Son was like me. You couldn't tell me, say, I'm a big artist right now where I go bust, you know.
Yeah.
Because of Papa Son this, you know.
Yeah.
I will survive, yeah, as long as I know how to live. And them sang the big and I say, oh, look, rightish power man up. You know, like, God, you're goodie. And some I pray them time as a youth, like, every little thing me look up, God, you're goodie, you know. And since there's a woman gone in the church and walking in the wilderness and Donovan Lego the label and Chipey, as I say, me and him and Chipey used to go to the studio every day. And one thing I can tell you from them time up until now, see, Chipey is still beside you. I'm a brother that. You see, I'm not too like say them things I make him hear, you know, because he's a man who get emotional, you know. But I'm a brother. Yeah. You see, from them time, and we are Corville and we are play ball every day and we are linked with new youth and different youth and Mark as a little youth now we always want there around me. You see, no matter what, you have Mark, you have like Dre, you have a youth named Johnny, you have, as I said, Jergan, and a couple man where, you know, always there so support me in whatever way them can. CD Master, I one of the youth them to wherever there from day one, big up CD Master. And other youth too, but we're not going to really remember everybody because it's an interview, you see? You see? So we're not going to really remember everybody, but, you know, the ones them there and support in whatever ways them could at the time. Because it's just really and truly the moral support. You see, because what else a man could have done? Yeah. You see, but you still need it. You still need the energy there. You still need a man, and that's why a man like Chipey always I say, yo, you're bad. So you have a man like Chipey now, which is like a sidekick from them time there. And him always motivate me. And me living at the scheme, the high-rise building over Corville, and him live down the road off Bob Marley Boulevard. But him always a forward and whole heap of boat run and them thing there. So we stay so boom, and as me say, Son stay so boom and gone, and we have to go back in the world.
Me answer I think about Son before we go on though. Son did actually hold a conversation, say, yo, me I go do this.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so on the reason about it, so you didn't know?
Pay for a video for me at the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, it was official. It's not like you just their own Son, and him did a show it too because work did a put in.
Oh, okay.
But as me I say, it's like right after the link they make, Son have some whole heap of accident in him family. Father charged manslaughter, sister dead off a bike, brother dead.
The dirts, man.
Yeah. And then after that, him next little brother dead, gravel. So bare things that are going and him just going at the church and load the road. And son never do nothing wrong.
Right.
Because son have to do son.
Right.
But while son a do son, you don't know, say, me as a little youth and even the other artists them too,
Right.
they that look forward. For, you understand? So we get left back, but I just say it go.
Yeah, man. A man have to do what a man have to
A man have to do what a man have to do. You see, I don't know if you remember a little artist youth named Schoolboy too, where he used to sound
yeah,
just
man.
like Bounty Killer. Him even get murdered a couple of years ago too. You know, so a whole lot of things go down. So we start search. We are go to studio and we do what we have to do. So we reach about, I think we reach about 2,000 now. See? Yeah, we reach at 2,000 now. Because all of this, I tell you, I go on in the 90s, late 90s, I come up to 2,000. So I say, so boom, I reach at 2,000 now. You see? And I get a link with a brethren named Dr. Marshall, who was an engineer, producer at Anchor Studio.
Anchor.
And Dr. Marshall, I do some work with me. I do a whole heap of work with me, and me, I'm artist now. And the link here with Marshall, I come through the same Devon Thomas from Norman Garden, who him did do some business with a brethren, who the whole of the work used to do at Anchor. You understand? So I saw me and Marshall start link down, and through the whole thing did mash up with Devon and Ray. Marshall have me as film artist now. Because me one of them brethren there from in the earlier part, like almost everybody when me forward around, them take on to my energy still. So me and Marshall start do some work. Here come Scare Them and mash up now. Scare Them say so boom and mash up. And Marshall said to me, say, here we go and Bugle. I want to produce a song with Elephant Man, and but you want to write it. And I said, well, I say, Marsh man, I'm good man, I'm ready man. Give me the rhythm. Give me the rhythm, and I go in and write the song. Take a night and, you know, and write the song.
One night.
Yeah. You see? And it was a challenge to me because I write for another artist for the first time in my life.
That was the first time.
That's the first time writing for anybody outside of myself. Stay so boom and write the song and go around at the studio and demo it and leave it. And then Marshall called me one Saturday morning and said, somebody want to talk to you. I come forward on the phone and say, yo, are you named Bugle? So I say, yeah, who this? I say, yo, Elephant. I say, what? Ellie, what go on? I say, yo, you're bad. You know, Ellie is a man, he's a guy, him go hard. I say, you, just the energy where my gear bridging, like you just feel good. I say, you, come check me now, take a taxi. I'm over Marshall, come now. I say, all right, don't say a word. I say, so boom and jump in a cab and run, go over there and Ellie pay the taxi fee and everything and jump up on a couch, stand up on the top of the couch and say, yo, I don't know what, you, but God love me. As I say, Elephant Man is an actor, the man in a play, no brother. He might go give you a great energy. I just feel personality that. You understand? I say, God love me, God send you my way. I say, I want two more of them things that you're bad. And I say, yeah. I said, Janu, all right, yeah man, no problem. And they and all advice with Elephant the world. I don't even know what to say. I just did a power with Elephant and Marshall. And, you see? But I did actually get a work permit.
Oh.
So when me meet Elephant Man now, I have a flight to go link up with my family them like few days from that. And New York.
Yes.
I say so boom I meet Elephant this Saturday and me and him par for that Saturday there and Monday I grab a flight.
Okay.
And say so boom and go to New York. Say so and go to New York and Elephant have a show in the Bronx. You see, and him forward at the show and me and my family them go at the show and Elephant give me a great vibe again. When you come back to Jamaica where the runway, you're mad man. You can't so bad and run where you're idiot. I said, no man, I'm so forward man. I'm spend about a month. I spend about a month in New York and reach back to Jamaica and shout Elephant and oh this. I say Bugle. I say, you there? pick you up now. And forward over Corville and pick me up in a white convertible 3 Series BMW Bridging. And me and Elephant that. I said, wow, my thing look good. Yeah, from me, I say, oh, my thing look good and start right beer song for Elephant Man. Them time the Elephant Man signed to Green Sleeve, bro.
Green Sleeve. Hold on, bro. The first song we write for Ellie, which song is that?
It never bust.
It never
I'm going to tell you the truth, King, I don't remember the song. Like, you understand?
Yes, yes.
Because me give Elephant Man a million song, you know.
Million song.
Them time there was just a right song I go with, man. Elephant Man just come left him record and tomorrow him come check me and him get 7 songs on it. Because I have million song, Bridging, and I just a give him song and go away. You see, me and Elephant a par and I give him song and me and him a par and we are whole vibes. And him show me a good vibe too. We are all good energy and we're there studio and you see, and that's how I meet Tanya. I start meet different people now. You see, because the whole energy are transferring from one place to another. So everywhere you go, you meet different people. You see, their own Elephant and to the point where I start travel with him now at the tours and everything. You see him? But before we even reach the tour and them thing there, no. I link with Piranha, because even when I link with Elephant Man, we're still in search.
Yeah, so Piranha was from Shocking Vibes.
Yeah, Piranha was an engineer at Shocking Vibes. You see, so even though I'm an Elephant good, in my spare time, them, I stay so boom, I'm going to the studio. And I start link with a virgin name Piranha now, who him and Elephant Man did even good too.
Okay.
Because him did even record a song with me and Elephant Man, them time that too, when never release or nothing.
Okay.
You see, me and Piranha are close now, because Piranha become like though me and Tripey them par.
Yes.
Piranha come to Corville every day come check me and him come check me one day and I think Vegas said over Corville the day when him come check me too, you know, because me and Vegas and Tyrical are linked from Big Ship. Me and Vegas and Tyrical it close. You see, me and Vegas still close. Me and Tyrical still good, but you know, I don't really see him that often. I mean, I have a phone number for him. Vegas now, I have him phone number and everything. So any given day, me text Vegas and Vegas he text me, you're good, you're blessed. And some me and Vegas still live up until this moment.
Bless.
You see? And what happened now is Piranha come check me one day and they run some boat, me and Chipey and a youth from half a Whitehall named Dante, an artist youth. They cook some baked bean and dumpling. And Piranha come link me with a rhythm and say, yo, want you demo a song on the rhythm for me now. But him hear me with a million song and say, want you demo one of the songs that we have on the rhythm. But the rhythm put in and the rhythm I play and we there I need up the dumpling and we are cook and we are well vibes and me I get different ideas. I say so boom and done write a song by the time the boat for land. You see? And go a studio the same day, go demo the song.
Yeah.
Demo the song and Piranha say, yeah man, wicked. Piranha linked me back about 3 days after that. Piranha called me and said, where you there? I said, I'm there in my yard, I'm there in the ville. He said, I come check you. No, don't move. Piranha turn up with a CD and said, listen that. Check says, I read him Piranha bring come from when I want to record my plan now. You know. So, so boom and put it in and press play. Me a bounty killer. You can be what you want to, achieve what you want to. Warlord telling you can be a star to no make them discourage you. Make these words nourish you. From your work hard, you will flourish too. Yo, Bridget, my head swell, my toe swell. Like me, I said, Jano, I'm a general this. I said, this am my done now, you know. A bounty killer this, you know, him convince me with him voice, you know, like the brother. So when me about to kill sing a song with Bugle right now, I know say, yo, this is another step up. Because as much as me done I get Elephant Man Wallop song, of course Elephant Man was my artist at the time. But
Killer,
I'm a general we grew me and I know say him grow me.
Yeah.
Musically. You understand me I say? Because I listen to him thing them and as me I say Virgin, I believe everything with the brother I say Virgin. I watch the man interview and remember I watched the interview on the man drive on Berg and the Honda Civic. I think it was over Riverton City. And I said, Giano, because you don't know Kalalubed. Kalalubed is a wall part Kalalubed from Corville.
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand me I say? And then Riverton up on the other side. So being in Kalalubed is being in Corville.
Yes.
You understand? I remember I watched that ER, the Bridging, and I watched that ER about 1,000,000 times just for see Bounty Killer and hear him conversation and believe everything when him say. And the brother was just so cool and calm and intelligent and as much as how him sound on the record when you see him a deal with the interview and I show you what go on in a Riverton City and the whole of that, I say, yo, the best man this man earth, you know. No man can tell me nothing, you know. You see? Yeah, man, real thing. And up to this time, me really do even have a Bugle bounty killer conversation yet, you know. Me know him and me there around him all heap of time.
Yes.
But it's not like Bugle there around killer. It's just a youth. The killer do even really pay much attention to. You understand what I say? And farmers, me I say that give me one different look in a life when me a bounty killer record a song when me write. And I don't know up till this moment if Bounty Killer, Rodney, Basil Price know what that do for me as an artist who a look a break at the time. You see, and all this time we there around Elephant Man and me a tour with him and everything and you know, we a run the road man, we a go everywhere man, we a go everywhere. Me and Killer eventually link and Killer say you with your body, you know. Yo, them word but you get them word man, you're bad youth. And him know some of their own Elephant Man, so him never try like, him a try take me away from, him just know say, elephant youth this Bugle and me sing a song with him right. And that's one of the things I rate with Killer, because him not try mash up no relationship and separate nobody. Him just know say that youth a bad and that youth a write a song and anywhere him see me, him give me love. Anywhere him see me, him give me love. Them time the Ashy, we drop out of California, was like Killer like a writer and Ashy. First, when Ashy even left country and forward a town and my house over Corville, Ashy forward. So the connection they just really strong from them time they are forward up.
Ja works, man.
Ja works. So everything just, as I say, everything did a grow. You know, so as much as, because I got through a whole heap of struggle, you know, it's just that them say I know everything good for eat, good for talk. So certain things I not really come forward when I interview, come express, cause
but a lot
time
of
for everything. But a whole heap of things we forward through. You see, in a whole heap of things where we can't even talk.
I understand them settings, man.
We forward through.
I know the vibe.
You see, because, yeah.
So after Killer voice that song, New Outlook.
New outlook.
New Outlook. You're still around LA.
Still around.
Still
LA.
a travel, still a tour.
Still a travel, still a tour.
And the whole link up with LA now brought you many
Different
places.
Yeah, different connection, different people.
BET 106 and
Yeah,
Park.
yeah.
BET Award Show.
BT 106 and Park, MTV, even when the BT Awards at
Japan.
California when Ellie bus out of the box and performed with Janet Jackson, I was right there. No front, like when Elephant Man had the most time recording them. Sometimes I'm and him alone fly with Mariah Carey, with Will Smith, with R. Kelly, the whole of them people there. Missy Elliott.
They're right there.
Me there right there, so in the studio with him, you know, me there straight. Remember when, I don't know if you remember the commercial you were, the first commercial where you see on Bolt up here now, was an Elephant Man song, Puma.
The Puma song.
And Elia said, you can be what you... I'm sorry. And Elia said, man, I go all out. What girl make them ball out. When them run and get all of the thing. And
Yeah, I remember the ads.
you remember the ad and the Jamaica color and everything. Well, even that song there, me write it line for line.
You wrote it.
Every line. Every line. And that song there was a big song.
Big song.
A Puma forward for that. A Puma said, I want that. You understand? And as me I say, you see him both first appearance in a commercial that was. So that was something great, even for Elephant Man at the time.
Yes.
Understand? So we've been there to do it. I mean, tell you now when you're tornado through Elephant Man. Well, when Liquid, I put out a rhythm on him French Vanilla. You see? Sassin have a song on it time I say, Girls Gone Wild. You remember that?
Yeah, man.
Elephant Man, I said, dance it crazy, yeah, dance it crazy, yeah, dance it crazy, yeah, kill it with the yeah. That rhythm there. So me want vice on the rhythm and Tanya want vice on the rhythm. Liquid a produce up a Dan Carleone and out there one whole day I wait on Liquid me and Tanya. And at the longest day this Liquid probably stay in our studio and I'm live, you know,
Yeah.
the day when we are waiting. Out there, we wait and liquid now. The man don't even take a smoke break, brother. Out there, wait for the whole day until liquid finally found out at the studio. But when he found out, he sit down under a mango tree when you go in the yard to the left, and me and Tanya down to the mango tree for hours, and we not move, not even for a bag juice, we not go out the road for, because we can't miss liquid. And liquid forward out of the studio, and go straight in him van. And by the time he feel lock the door, me and Tanya do that. I said, what go on youth? I said, we there, man, and you, we there, wait pan from day. And I said, for real? What go on now? I said, yeah, man, the rhythm the star. You can't give a run on it. And I say, yo, John, no. Here what go on. I rhythm there. Gone over even when I did plan for upon the rhythm, you know. But here what I go do. I go give one and I run upon the rhythm because I can't go two. So I have to go choose which one I want to sing upon the rhythm. And me say, don't worry about it, man. If you give Nedo a strength, and me, you give a strength. And if you give me a strength, and Nedo, you give a strength. So just give with the rhythm. As long as you give your energy that we want. I'm sorry, right, no problem. But now for voice as fast as possible because I'm done voice and I mix now. No problem, general. Give me the rhythm, and when liquid jive off, I say, here we go on Nedo. We're going to do a combo. You see, we have to do a collab because guess what?
I
want him say. And it no make sense, we are going to voice 2 songs on the man rhythm. So we are going to voice a collab. You see, you know, me and Nedo end up a voice a collab. Bad mind. Everybody know the whole of them. Bad mind. Video it down a stadium and everything. Ding dang first video that.
Yeah?
Yeah. But a ding dang first video down a stadium on the basketball court. First appearance ding dang and making a video. I eat that. You see? So a whole heap of history.
A whole heap of first saying I do a Bugle.
A whole heap of first. Never last. Always the one for start something. Yes. I just need that.
How well did the song with the Antonio do?
It never bust.
Never bust.
But liquid turned me and Antonio in a duo at the time.
Yes.
And it did make it easier for we. Because instead of a man give 2 strength,
yes,
he might give 1.
Easier for your man too.
It's easier for your one too. So Renaissance start record, you know, and Kareem,
yes,
Stainless, DJ Kareem and them, you would start record with now. So even that sake did record with them time they on anger management rhythm too.
You dey on anger management?
Me and Tanya though, on anger management, them time they too, and the song never come, but the song never forward out still. You see? So it's like Liquid actually, you know, put we in a spot where did I do something for we at the time. You see, and me and Tanya just stay and we are work and we are do things and people are like when we are go, we like to show them, go sing and we like to school thing them and people are like when me I sing the whole of the hook them and Tanya did them big voice jump out like Shaban. I did them wicked and we are all voice. We never bust, we never act, but we are do something and people are see we and we are shoot a video them to and everything. So I remember me being on the road with Elephant Man and there around people like Rounded and Harry Toddler and the whole of the artists them get to know. So Bugle write the song and get for rate Bugle and Stacey and Link Rounded and get 2 dub, Link Toddler and get 2 dub, Ray and get 2 dub, Bounty Killer give me 2 dub and I end up buy a car. Me and Tanya don't know Stacey boom and want to shoot a video and I have no money. I'm going to sell my car and use the money to shoot a video. You see? And of course the song never bust, but I never regret it neither.
Yeah.
Because that for sure you say me really I try to get somewhere in this music here. To the point where me sell a car for shoot a video for that me have to do. You see? And I'm gonna do it. And as me saw up to this moment, me never have no regret about it. And even though the song never bust or nothing, we do something.
It was the right thing to do at the time.
Yeah, it was the right thing to do at the time. Them time they have a brother shoot video man when him. I think a Big Daddy Leo him name. You remember that brother there?
I'm not familiar with it just
yeah, fam. And that brother they shoot the video. And say, yo, at them time they had the artist video man.
Okay.
So they have the man that shoot the video, he was say, you think, oh? Yes, because at the time, you know, we want art, you know.
Yeah.
So we try to use the best people.
Yeah, man.
So
I
say, I sell my car and use it to do a good video.
Yeah.
You see, and Stacey Boom and shoot the video and put it out and the whole of vibe. It make people know it. Enough place me go and even up to now, enough man I say, yo, me know you from your Antonio though, you know. Bad mind. And I sing the song too. So you realize, say, do something for it.
Yeah, man, it can't work out.
And yeah, it can't work out. And just knowing, say, me sell my car and do this bridging, me just know, say, yo, I forget about my car money, you know, out of music, you know. Yeah, I forget it back out of music. So that make me even I go work harder. I not compromise nothing. Me have to do what I have to do. Me I tour with Elephant and everything. And the truth is, we never get no money from the tour them and the writing them or nothing. I like me just dead it. Because when me there on Elephant, man, them time the crew go on. Man, Sasha can and scare them, they just mash up. And them thing they go on. So me I pray. Because it was me, Tornado, Deja Vu, Keep Rich, a youth where from Seaview singing Craig him live a foreign for a moment now. It's we there on Elephant Man and I write song and then fresh them forward in the last part. But we dead there and I write song and everything. So me I pray this now like this a Elephant Man crew. What am I gonna call it? You understand? Because him have whole heap of little artists around him but Keep Rich a bad artist, Deja Vu, Tanya the bad artist, Bugle. Well I would there so and we're ready for anything with Elephant Man say at the time. But Elephant Man never really pray that. And you still have to understand say Elephant Man did big. Because you have a thing on him on the river and them things they say Elephant Man not really a pre no little crew down here so. You understand? Because I know everybody have that art they like where Bounty Killer have, you know. Because when Bounty Killer farm scared them Elephant, Bounty Killer was superstar. He never did have to do it, but him do it and give you them energy. But I know everybody a pre that. Elephant Man a do him thing. I was still there and I give him the energy. I tour with him and everything until after the 3rd US tour now. At this time we go Japan twice and he never did I go to England them time or Europe side because somebody did get killed at England one at the time. So he never bother want to go back around there because his brethren did get murdered and all of that. So true that I never really got that side there with him. But America we live there so every day. The Caribbean, you name it. Canada, Japan, you name it. We do this up on a daily basis. I like backyard. As you jump off a plane, you jump on another plane. You see? And we stay on the 3 US tour now, and the 3rd tour I realize say, this not gonna work out, you know. I said this not gonna work out.
Financially, it not make no sense.
It not make no sense. You see? Because by this time, you know, me get back car and everything in our reach. Yeah man, because me is a youth, me is a hustler, you know, because me out on the road and me a link with people and you see? And me is a man me love save. Yes. So every little thing me get me go lock it off. You see, and say so boom and get the money and buy a bike. Sometimes the R6 just jack boy and buy a R6 and then I step it up. No, I get a turbo starlet first. And the turbo starlet shut off with me over doing the park one day when rain fall. About for 2 hours I sit down and wait for the rain for done off of the road. When the rain done and the car finally start, I say I not drive back this again. And I say so boom and sell it and go buy a bike. Then I sell the bike and I buy a Honda Civic. Then I sell the Honda Civic and I buy a GTS Nissan. Then I sell the GTS and I buy a Honda car. And this time I on the road with the Elephant Man. And save up my per diem them and every little thing when I get. The little $2,000 them when I get after the tour. Even though I look some I should have get.
So in the music saved my life. Facts, yeah.
Facts. Everything I show. Everything. I could have said a million more things. But we don't have time for one record for say a million more things. You see? So we just do what I have to do, but everything I show, because I don't make up story, my fam. I know the artist who I come tell you, say, I have swimming pool on top of my house and I don't have it. Yeah. I'm not going to sing about it, bro. I'm not going to tell you say I would want to have it, but I'm not going to tell you say I have it if I don't have it. So I'm not do the make up story thing where music is concerned. And people not write for me. So that simply means that when I sing, I forward from my thought process. You understand what I say? So we're up on the road and the 3rd tour forward from I get really uncomfortable with the whole energy, with everything. Titi must have cut and the man here cut and the man there cut and the thing just start look shaky and I just tell myself, say, yo, I cut, you know. And this is even before the tour complete. Because if...
Oh, you made a decision before the tour done?
Yeah, man. Because I don't tell myself say, when that tour you done, me done. But the tour extend.
Oh.
Because I say, the brother is a superstar. You know? I really don't want this thing to look like it is. It a focus on...
Yeah, man. I understand. But a part of the journey.
But a journey, yeah, so I have to express it. You see, so anybody I watch, I feel like, sorry, I'm a journey, me I talk about. It's not another man's journey.
Yeah.
You see, and if this is a part of my journey, then it's only right for me to express it.
Simple, man.
Yeah? Give thanks. And see, so, boom, man, I decide, say, I got done when that tour I done, but the tour I extend. You see, because when the tour just started, I see 35 show.
35 show.
Yeah, man, how you talk about, man? That's a joke thing, man, for them, man.
Yeah?
It's a 35 show and the tour just start, but then by the time the tour for done, it's a 45 show. So you know,
So
it's a 10 more show added. So even places where I go already,
And go back
you
there
have to
again.
go back by the time the tour for done, because as me I say, fam, like that brother I was
And
a
then big,
joke
yeah,
artist, and I respect him as an artist. You see, because I learn whole heap from
Naturally, if
him
you're up on the road with him, yeah.
without him literally say, me I teach you this. I'm just me there. Even how me record now is Elephant me learn that from. He's one of the best recording artists me ever see record a song in our studio. You see, just to how him record him song, like him not play with him work when them time they forward on him for record him song. Them man they go down to the last note, them a try everything. If you notice them man they sing all Michael Jackson song on show. And he's not a singer, but
yeah.
I just saw him say he's a complete artist.
Yes.
You understand? He's an entertainer. You cannot take that from him no matter what you do. So me saying my journey, negative thing might fall out,
Yes.
but it's not like my hate.
That's just the nature of
You
life,
understand?
that's you
It's just
do.
the
You can't go
journey
around
I
that.
express what I got through. You understand? So the tour was supposed to end in Orlando. Because our tour thing going on, if a 35 show, and the first show is New York. You go fly go New York. The last show is Orlando. Then the return ticket are going to be from Orlando. You see? And them time the ticket was the literal ticket. It's not like now where you have the information on your phone and that you have a hard copy of the ticket where you have to make sure it's in the last. You try your best to keep that safe throughout the whole tour. You see? And me have my return ticket from Orlando. And me there Orlando. And me uncomfortable.
The cut.
Me cut. And me up on the plane and forward from. And me there like about in the third row on the right hand side over the corner. And when the plane lift up, one tear lick me, you see, fam. A tear that tore, that tear that stick me like it cut me, fam. Like, I cry. And just the whole energy, I said, John, no, this is not what I really want, fam. But I have to do this. And I pray. And I said, Jah, I always pray to you, you know. And you always bring me through, you know. And I do everything where me know say you want me to do. So me making that decision, I know say you want me to make that decision. Yeah. And bridging in my tear, I cry. I wonder if all the lady beside me, I pray where I go on from. You know, you watch and you bust your prayer, but you watch you see. You see, and I stay so boom man strong up, because we are man at the end of the day, but we are still human being, we are feeling. And we have a heart like anybody on the face of the earth. And just last week when my brethren dead, I couldn't hold it neither 2 tears bust out same way because my brother that.
So the man get emotional and teary-eyed.
Yeah. Not just teary-eyed, but eye water eye.
Yeah, eye water eye.
See, and forward and over Corville and bloody them and they mark them and the whole of them. Forward and I met them and them know say, yo, now go walk on the road and the man say, what go on, your elephant man fall out. I said, no really, no, just my decision, because you don't know, I want to bugle. I don't really want to be a backup artist. Because I'm up on the road with the Elephant Man, and I sing every night, you know.
Every night?
I start every show on every tour, you know. You see, now anytime I run out, I show forward, you know. And then when me done perform, you have Singing Craig where I perform, you have Keep Rich where I perform, and then Elephant Man forward. And when Elephant Man forward, my show start over back and I dance. I dance.
Yeah, dance.
What you talk about, man? Then when the crazy hype and them thing they come and signal the plane and pan the river, then know me I lead that.
Yeah?
Keep Rich them can't ramp with me them time there. And me I lead that from when me part crowd, you know, bridging. Me I run from me, yes, I go at the back of the crowd, you know, bridging. A crazy hype, you know. Give them a run and the whole place I tear down from. Me do the whole of that. Every night.
Every night.
Every night. We not play with show when we do on the road. That's why I tell you, I learn wholly from the brother. Yeah. So if you watch a Bugle concert right now, if you fall to a Bugle show right now, you're going to realize how me perform from is not just since 2007. It's from about 2001, 2002. Me I do this on the road with the Elephant Man and I learn and I learn and I learn. And sometimes when me even perform, like me don't really know where I go on. Like me just do it.
You just in a zone.
Me just in my zone.
So you work every night for 35 show and achieve
35 show, yeah. And when the tour
still,
done, when the short tour done, I look on like $2,000.
$2,000. That 35 show.
Yeah, 35 show.
Every night.
Every night. I look on $2,000.
That rough still broski.
Rough.
I mean, I
So I guess
feel it,
I you see the last car now,
yeah.
when I did buy, I did sell a car and borrow some money from, what them name, Credit Union? COK.
Oh, COK.
Yeah. Get some money and put on the money down and go buy a nice undercar down in and rolling on. Virgin, I couldn't even pay for the car. And I know so I lose the car.
Them take it back.
Bang, take the car. I lose it. And I do all of them things that I look at me and say, then I'm going to their own. You see? And
The thing said so.
you see?
Lily.
Lily. I said, I don't like this, you know. I take on myself. See? No. Rain Civil, she fought from Corville. And me and her are linked. And our family, them, our mother, are linked with a man with name Sam Scott. General Sam Scott. Sam Scott have a son with name Spooky. Sean Scott. Sean Scott now gone in a production. New label. And Rain Civil mother, as me I say, link with. So is them want an artist and them introduce Bugle as an artist that she know over Corville. And I saw SSMG signed me to them label.
Oh.
And this is right after the whole falling out go on. So me I look on them thing that like really a work. You see? Sign with SSMG now and them have a studio up on the hill and me I go up there every day. I go up on the hill every day, I go all vibes. And one of the day them now, I go up on the hill and I stop in at the Ruby's gas station. Of course it was Shell at the time. And buy
Thought for Manning Hill Road there.
No man, Radios Road, right at Price right there, so.
Oh, okay.
Because I up on Chancery.
Oh, Chancery, okay.
Yeah, I stay and pull over at the gas station and buy a hot Guinness. The Guinness they look like them boil it. The Guinness extra hot. See so boom and bust the Guinness and roll up a little stuff. And stay so I go up on the hill and I think just get a son, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think, I said, John, what am I going to do with my life? Even though I'm signed to the label, I still question things. So I start sing about myself. I just start sing. So you see me there, I ask myself what am I going to do with my life.
Yes.
So I just start sing. Exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are hungry and I ain't got what I'm gonna do, I'm alive. And where I go on with me at the time, I just get the only line I tell another song there, I say I have kids.
Oh, and it was just one.
And it was just one. You see? Go up at the hill and I say, Spooky, I have the baddest song.
I
say, yeah, let me hear it. I'm stay and sing it. And I say, yo, that bud, I have the right rhythm feet and stay and go up on him computer and find a rhythm and say, yo, make we sing it now. Go in at the studio and record it and have the song and I listen it for days, for months. And every time I say Spooky, that song, yeah, I hate the song, you know. It reminds me of Tupac. And that I tell him, I say that song, yeah, remind me of Tupac, you know, from just the energy of that song you bring and just, you know, the lyrical content and then the metaphors, it just give me a Tupac vibe. But that I said to the brother every time, you know. And Spooky did in and out still. Sometime him there, so sometime him not there, so. And then Spooky cut for about 4 or 5 months, I'm not hearing nothing from him. After I'm signed to the label, you know, brother. And me turn fool now, like me, I said, John, how really are going on in my life now? Stay so me, I say, all right. Everything good. I link back with some producer and see who me can advise her. See, so Bowman me and Rain Sevilla drive one day. And I say, Rain, me I go link TJ Records. I'm a brethren. See, so Bowman me drive in a Consumer Plaza for link TJ. Because them time the Bembe go on and the rest of them hang out. See, so Bowman drive in the plaza for link TJ. I drive in the plaza, I see. I drive one CRV today. Now the first CRV them will come boy. Yeah. And I listen to Zip FM on the radio. And by the time I pull up in the plaza, Serrano come to the vehicle because him hear me I listen to Liquid.
Ah.
And him say, yo, Liquid play Dying already. Song with him and my father. And I say, you know, I don't know if him play it before me forward in the car, but from my left Corville and him, I listen to him and I hear it. Him say, that mean him not play it then, man, because I did that listening before. Him say, don't turn off the car, I want to hear it. Him stays and sit down in the car. TJ, I come for checking about a Serrano. This, sit down in the car and Liquid a juggle some song, fresh to death. The song in the past, you know that. And Liquid a juggle. It was a Wednesday fam. Liquid a juggle, fresh to death, Virgin, and Liquid at them time the Liquid are the man, still the man, but them time they fresh to death, fresh. This are 07.
Liquid are man.
Liquid are the man, 07. You see? And Rain Seville actually slur, like she hear a song play and she slur something. And Serrano said, wait, you can sing, I look for new artists, you know. Yeah, man, I look for new artists. And by the time Serrano said, I look for new artists, he look for me and he say, Bugle, would I love to do something with you too, you know, but more you bring the idea to me. And I say, what? Serrano, them time they have a thing when him dying with busy signal. At Days, sorry. Dying was him and Movado. Days. These are the days that I'm busy, I'm a brother too, you know. As me I say, I skip out all the thing, you know. Busy, I'm a brother, you know. Busy, I'm one of the few artists them where I'm a brother. I may have a couple brothers in our music, but Busy, I'm one of the early brother them when me and him relationship. Like, Rain never sprinkle upon our relationship. It's always solid.
Always solid.
And if you link him right now, him going to say, Bugle, I'm a brother. So it's not a case where me over here say I'm a brother and him over there say I'm a brother that. Busy signal, I'm a brother. You see him, I go on my phone and call him right now. Yo, where you there? You not cook? So him stay.
Yeah.
Yo, you know on a bull and pear.
Yeah.
Him not play with sardine and them things. I'm a brother that man. You see him? I say, alright. Me link you. But the moment Serrano said that, I have something on my head. Because I go give him that exercise song, you know, brother. Because I believe in this too much, you know. You see? And I say, yeah, man, me link you. I have the song in my pocket on my phone, and I say, nah, make him hear it today. Because guess what? You see, as much as you're excited, you don't even want to make him know so you're that excited.
Yes, you have to
so
hold
I say, I hold it, man. I link you forward, man. I say, me link you tomorrow or the day after. It was, I think it was the day after. You see? Yes, which would have be the Thursday, because of the Wednesday this. So this would have be the Thursday, which is the same Bembe day. And the whole of the man them hang out in the plaza. And the day I see so boom and swinging at the plaza the next day and see Serrano. And I say, yo, I come check, you know, him sit down in one van, one black Honda Element. Him sit down in right in front of the supermarket, him reverse, you know, so in him car, I listen to music again. And I pull up and I say, yo, my forward come check, you know, with the idea. And him say, yeah, let me hear it. And see so and pop out. You know the phone on him, chocolate phone?
Yeah, man.
Pop out there and it have one little...
LG will slide the push up, so.
Cool, no, man, you know the thing. What do you mean I do an interview, ask a man if he know chocolate phone, and him say no. I say, okay. You don't know what I go on then, you're a young boy to phone thing. But what I say is, see so boom and pop out the phone, and say, see it, man, and him plug it in him car and listen it. And him say, yo, this bad, I offer him to sit there, pan. And I say, some you, I'm not the in-law, my record and thing, man, but no worry about that, man. And I say, yo, this bad. Man say, yo, this bad. And stay so and stretch on. And I see one keyboard come over the seat. The man says, so and plug in something and go so. I say, yo, I will never eat this now. Like me a pre-bred gene, like me I say, it have to be eat this now. Because every time you reach the sun, I wonder if I eat this now. But Serrano at the time, that Seika at the time is the hottest producer.
Yes.
Anger management, them did have one Bugle song too, with hot, and then them come with days and them have dying. And so that's the thing just, you understand what I say?
I'd
Just,
stable at the time.
yeah, hot. So Serrano stays so boom and play the rhythm and don't play the rhythm in a short space of time and go up on him phone and say, sing. Put the phone on speaker. Just a boom and play the rhythm. Exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are, I'm say Rambo and number walk come cross from over which park Candy Apple used today. You remember that story there? Then I say TJ walk come cross. Then I say all of the man them who used to link up them time they walk come cross. See a song sing and no, before me sing, Serrano say, he make the call and say, yo, I find the artist. And the man on the speaker say, who that? And Serrano say, Bugle. And the man say, Bugle. And Serrano give me the phone and say, sing. And I start sing, exercise every day and I don't hear about nothing. I give Serrano the phone and within 5 minutes, Mr. David and Curry pull up at the studio. And by the time David and Curry pull up, it's about 20-25 man, they're right there so now. Everybody, because Serrano is a musical brethren, you know, King. And Serrano give me back the phone again and say, sing. Stay and sing and I say, Julian pull up. But I don't know, Julian look like him at the gas station or something down the road. I say, Julian pull up. No, because Julian used to manage that theater. Stay so boom and like the man them say, yo, never know I say you did bad. You have more? I say, yeah man. I say, alright, studio. Jive go down at the studio and the man them say so boom and dump in the rhythm, running the rhythm in the studio. And I record the song same time. The man them say, you don't have no more song. And I say, what you say man? Run back the rhythm. And stay so boom and press record. Some people stop by obstacles, my journeys continue. The devil is always gonna. Man, them say no to. Man, them say, who you get them?
So what are the Bugle? Yeah, journey come immediately after.
Me Vice Journey. Me Vice Journey 4 years before this for a producer youth named Flavor. You know which rhythm journey did they on? You know Egyptian have a song where I say, Mama don't cry.
No.
Me Vice Journey span that rhythm the 2003 no fam. You see? And the man don't pay no attention to the song, you know. So when that seeker them say sing again, me I say, one more. Some people stop by obstacles, my journeys continue. Man them say no. I said, here what? Yeah, that's your artist here. I say, yeah man, then that more here man. I say, yeah man, it's official man. I say, alright, my done. Anything you say, as of tonight, that's your car. I say, yeah man, that we want here. And I end up for bring that year them and meet SSMG, because I told me the record the song in a Avondale too. I meet SSMG and make him know, say, this a go on and this a go on, and him say, yo, the right thing you do man, because guess what, me kind of not focus on the music and that's year them out there, so and them are the right people to take you
so
to
that
the
was
next
amicable
level.
then?
Yeah, and by this time now, song a mix. You see? By song a mix, Julia Braham shoot video. Everything I go on, put out the song. At them time they have Fire Links, Atmon, they're one of the artists, Bembe Hat. And that's the them connect up with everybody at the time. Rolex I keep a thing to out of St. Thomas, out of East. As you go through Harborview, you go up the hill there, so. On a Thursday, I think it did I keep. So after Bembe, we gone over there, so and them time they and you see, Ghetto Bam is a little bridge, you know, used to come at the studio to on a bike where look like a lawnmower engine in it. You can go about 2 miles per hour. And you understand? And they're around with to every day same way as DJ Ghetto Bam. Because Ghetto Bam was a DJ.
yeah,
and so I saw him used to follow around we in him Tarrant uniform, in him white shirt and in black pants. Them time they went 2007 when we did that seeker. You see, in Fire D in one little youth who are always there around from them time. I mean, and all of the man them apart. We never left out Mark them or none of the man them when me and them they're from day one.
I realize that.
You see, in Chromatic, and me bring Chromatic in the road too.
Yeah?
From them time there. And me know Rain Civil used to go U-Tech with Creep and Ice. Because Chromatic was 3 youth, you know.
Yeah, man.
Creep, Ice and Nico. You see, and I saw me link with, actually, Ice me link with. You see, and I me actually bring Chromatic in the road. Bring Chromatic go at that sake, and me and the man them get really close and start with a real solid energy, you know. Them become a friend, them. And them time the same way. And we there that sake and the whole way apart. We are do road at night time and we are promote. And within like 2 months time, Exercise is one of the biggest songs in the road. But here enough people don't understand now. I give you a different piece of history I never talk about yet in a no interview. You see, 2007, me and DeMarco do a song on a big ship rhythm. I'm telling the Steve, one of the artist producer too. Me and DeMarco do a song. DeMarco just remind me about this last week, you know. Me and DeMarco do a song on a Steve rhythm. And I said to DeMarco, say, Baby, not Baby G, Jam to actually the record over Jam is. And I said to DeMarco, say, if that song on the bus, I don't do no more of them kind of song because it was a gun song. You see? And that route, another route I did really want to go. But at the time, I run the place for Stephen Rhythm them. So we just try to get a break as youth where as I got through whole heap of tribulation. We just want out there. So we end up do that. You see, because as I say enough from like me not even can remember everything. Because even Sizzler who made me stop do them kind of song there and want to do positive music, as Sizzler me hear I sing and decide say I don't want to do them kind of negative song no more. And I start hear Sizzler. Don't give me no white God, don't teach me anything bad. Them song that make me start pretty deep, like me I say, who is this brethren here? You know, like mountains on a road, Jerusalem. When me I hear them things, then our brethren is like me have a different perspective on life. Me I see life different. Me I see life from a higher stance. You understand what I say? So what happened now is 2007 when me and DeMarco do the song and me tell DeMarco say if that song you no bus, me nah do no more of them song here. And the song where me never hear that song they play one time. It was one of the baddest songs on the rhythm.
Yeah.
But remember say Vibes Cartel and Movado.
Thing that I go on at the time.
And you have a youth named Einstein. Run them down, run them down, run them.
Oh,
and them things
like a power cut rhythm, man.
One of them rhythm. No man, the whole of them rhythm they are going at the time, you know.
Okay.
So that are going during that period they know this are going, you know. You see? So me I say, oh yeah. Me and DeMarco hold a rhythm and beat up the rhythm bad man. We box up the rhythm wicked, kick up the rhythm, thump up the rhythm, everything. So like the rhythm just free that we call the rhythm said the beauty are dangerous. You see, and I say, DeMarco, if this no work, I not follow that route again. You see, so when I say so boom now and go exercise with surrounding them now. And exercise jump out now is when DeMarco stations, because this are the art, this are when Vibes Cartel and Movado were just starting, you know, and every man has sing about gun and the only positive song out the road where play, no, the only positive song where out the road I play at the time, outside are like, you don't know what Bugle them and them and they do, because I remember say, even anger management have Sizzler on it go and wicked, you know.
Yeah man, some anger, yeah, I always say that.
So it's really and truly busy have a positive song. These are the days. It wasn't like a deep culture song, like a Rasta culture song, but it was a positive song. Very positive song too. You see? So that was the only positive song where I play out there and everything else was shooting. So when me forward now and sing, exercise now. Because remember you have youth like DeMarco and you have youth like Conscience and the whole of them youth have been a try. Just like how me I try. You see, now I get the run because where we are do too nice and the people them don't want to hear nothing nice. So when exercise takes and forward to now is when DeMarco say, the Bugle do it, me can do it. This is for my fallen soldiers. Because remember you know, you have these are the days and you have exercise. You see, because remember say song is like magnet, you know.
Yes.
Song breeds song.
Yes.
So exercise make days bigger, you know.
Yes.
Just like how days make exercise what it become because days get a song to play with now.
And bring them on another.
You understand? So instead of them just play as days and run gone to the war, them have juggle now.
One little juggling and develop.
One little juggling and develop. So them play days and exercise I play first. Cause you know how it is.
Slow.
Yeah. And exercise I play first and then you hear these are and the big forward there right there so. And then DeMarco come and say, this is some falling soldiers. So DeMarco I play first now, exercise, days. 3 songs in the juggling now, you know. Then Conscience say, but wait. DeMarco and Bugle do it, me can do it to them, man. This year me have to be the winner. So you find out so the space them start step up now. Conscience a juggle with winner, then you find DeMarco, then you find Bugle, then days. So you reach to the point now which part exercise start be the closer.
Yes.
Then Munga followed that thing when him. If I ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If I ever got lost, please find me. So you find out that juggling they get big now. So even though one war I go on one big juggling there, so
Still there.
all this time not even I act here no boss it, you know. A Bugle are the influencer writer so now, you know. A Bugle start that's something I writer so now, you know. But because even though Busy Signal song was the first song,
Right.
Busy done but 3 years ago.
Yeah, man. Busy
You
out
understand? So Busy out there. Cause them time they step out and all them songs that run and you not play with the youth now. You remember them youth there? Juvenile not play with the gun, not play with the gun, not play with the gun. Them things that run long time. So Busy did out there. So me forward out now as a fresh artist now is a new hype. You see, so every man really, cause even Munga did out there already, you know. Cause I don't remember if you remember say even Munga one at the time they did a clash.
With Busy.
With not even Busy. No man, I don't ya.
Don't ya.
Cause remember I say
yes.
Busy signal for your I don't ya. I don't afraid for shoot him. You remember them time there?
Yeah,
so him did even out there already before this, but him still forward. In other whole thing I was going with a positive song and hold back and,
like a revival
and reap a new energy, a total different energy. And start hold back now in the thing and the thing I work and we start take on the road. You see, shoot the video, everything and the thing start run and exercise, bus and be one and one of the biggest song now. Where I play, no matter how much war and shooting are going and when you go Bembe and your fence are beat down, there's a fence are beat down, there's a, when the war are going, when exercise drop here, the same amount of fence them are beat down. So you know, say something really are going. Them time they have a youth when name Ching, where roll out a red carpet. Ching! I say, 2007 this enough fam.
Yeah.
You see? Great energy from dance all our vibes from. And the man them drop a thing when name Journeys. Right after that. Some people stop by obstacles, my journeys continue. And Journeys come bust like same time too. Firelings have a rhythm. I don't remember what I rhythm the name, but remember me there at Mondays one time and hear him play. One Vice Cartel alone pan him rhythm. And me I said, the rhythm is bad. Next day I call Links and I say, yo, the rhythm where you play the cartel pan last night. What go on? And I say, am I rhythm? And I just test it. I say, yo, bad. I say, yo, I come check you another say, come on, you record a song for it. I say, bring it come now. And him come check me. I'm sing. Hypocrites gone looking away eye, no parasite. Song boss, rhythm gone. So you find out the catalog a bill now.
So not cheat. That in a
instant.
brother.
I never stop yet, you know.
We do it stuff yet.
Me there, me yard over Corville and surrounded at Florida and called me and say, yo, I have a song, you know.
No.
Me I say, yeah. I say, yo, bad. I say, make me hear it. And him say, from some people looking at my face, me know say them not like me. Don't. And I say, Sharon, sing it again. And say, from some people looking at my face, and I say, no man. I say, Sharon, this body no. But you sing it in the reverse. I say, hear what you say. Say, from you looking at some people's face. And him say, I'm from me looking at some people's face. And I say, no, Sharon, that bad. I say, that it. I said, don't say them looking at your face. Just say you looking at them face. And I hit that. And him forward, when him forward, him call me the night and say, I just come out of the airport. Meet me at the studio. Forward around at the studio and we record the song. And from me looking at Bembe, Liquid. Because Liquid have a thing with name. Well, Liquid thing in the club did name again. In a quad man, Liquid did have a Wednesday night thing. Wet Wednesday, man. You know, remember, man. Wet Wednesday, Liquid have in the club, man. And when Liquid have dropped them song in the club, because guess what go on now? Any bad song we play a Bembe, I go play in a Wet Wednesday. And it I go play over East.
Yes.
You understand? So I say you know, say the thing we. And I like You see? Yeah. Yeah, you have Weddy and you have them thing there at the time where when one song I run, brother, everywhere you go you hear it. And not like no, just one man alone you will hear a run with a song and you understand? And the man that will play it every now and then. No, like it in every man juggling and cause a big song, a bad song. You see, and of course, like we start taking on the road now to the point which me even turn that year in a management because by this now that year so we need a manager for you. And I say, manager for me for what? I say, we are do we thing, man. And I say, but we not. I say, me have experience. My mom used to told elephant, man. I show know how to do it, man. And me and Curry start take on the road.
Yeah.
You see, and Curry never play tracks in my life. And me turn Curry in that and Curry right now when you see Curry. Yeah man, when you see Curry play, you would think it's a band. When Curry play a track for you, it's like it's a band.
Mix it like a band
yeah
mix.
Man, the man they mix you wicked man. The man they go hard. When him a play tracks, is a whole show him a give you.
Yeah.
Separate and apart from what you are do, him a give you can't miss. Because remember, you know, we do this thing over and over every day. Is nobody who play tracks to me has never done it like Curry did. And remember, say
Curry have a flavor, man.
And fam, me tour with Biggie, me tour with Raz, whole heap of
Raz
people.
and Biggie, a big selector for a long time.
Big selector, and none of them never play a track like Curry did. You see, so me bring them on the road, and by this time now, we don't do the road and whole heap of things that happen, you know. We are make money now. We have car and everything now. Everybody around we are right.
Now.
By this time, when I shoot even Dove video, the house we shoot Dove video, I say Chris Scooter in the house. And the next day when I studio, I say get up bam. The house we shoot the video yesterday, I say and Chris big Scooter up there, you know. Can upgrade you, you know. Call the brother and find out if he would have sell it and them make a call and the brother say yeah. And I say alright, get up bam, a year by that. Yeah. And I saw get up and get a new scooter and put on the lawnmower engine now and we are roll. Because when we are going east at Thursday night time from Bembe, you know, we have to drive 2 miles per hour for wait and get up.
But for the anger management, it's Sizzler. No. Yeah, but if they are bugging me and say, oh, which song that again? Yeah, well, that's Sizzler there. Yeah, so you upgrade get up, man.
Upgrade get up, man, and we are roll, man. And we are do the road, man.
Brother.
We are spread the blessing, man. We are do the thing. By this time now, I meet a little youth. Run a shocking vibes named Jamil. I meet the little youth run a shocking vibes, I go link Jamie Roberts, Young Vibes, and me hear him song them, hear Liquid a play him song them. And I go link him and I go run a shocking vibes and meet him in person. And I say, youth, you're bad, you know. And just by me telling him, saying bad the day, like him couldn't even talk. Like him, I say, I bugle this, you know. Because remember them time, you know, me one of the artists of Jamaica, you know.
Yes.
So for me, I forward and I tell a little artist who well want to run, say, youth, you're bad, you know. It's a different energy me I give him right there. So to the point which me and him start par every day. And me start calling him on show. So me build my little crew now. Separate and apart from that thing. Which was Jamil, Proper Fade, and Vibrant. Call them up everywhere I go.
I know Vibrant still, I know Proper Fade still.
Yeah man, him's Jamie, I'm still Jamie artist. You go him bad, so you go hear him. Sooner or later you go interview him too. Just life, you know. This time I call up them youth everywhere. Everywhere I call up them youth. Just the introduction alone. Because when I introduce them youth, you know, I tell people, say, if him no bust the place, you know, a matter of fact, say a Bugle, bust me head with it. And so I deal with it, because I believe in the youth them so much, fam, and I have so much confidence in them, especially Jamil, because him used to be my closer. Jamil. So it was Proper Fade, Vibrant, then Jamil, right before. Yeah. You understand? And him used to be my little closer, and him last me call up. Bad and him shot, you see him shot and look like I'm one like a 14-year-old youth one. And I'm around, some boy I read, but I know the hair cast that. And the energy bred gene and them man they just text you go away, text you go away. And of course, I have them as my youth them and everything till Fire Dean bring a youth come around and that's the now named Dexter Daps. And the night when Fire Dean bring Dexter Daps come at that's the Sirani outside and And Firedean bring him straight to Sirani. And me outside to him, hear Sirani say, yo, yeah, that's the artist. I mean, no say from here Sirani gotta say it serious. You see? Yeah man, Sirani say, yeah, that's the artist. From here, him got there so.
You know it.
No
artist bad.
Yeah. To the point which part, me start call up Dexter Daps everywhere.
Yeah?
20, yeah man, everywhere. Everywhere. Me carry Dexter Daps go Portland, Louis Culture, carry him go down a Panther, down there so. Me St. Thomas, everywhere, Bridging. Like Riverton Splash, name it, Ghetto Splash, West Kingston, Jamboree, everywhere. Them time nobody know Dexter Daps. I just see you, because Dexter Daps is never a man who even used to come a road like that. You see? And me really bring Dexter Daps out on the road and make people know, say, yo, that youth are bad. You see? And, but every time, just like how when I call up Jamil them, when I call up Dexter Daps fam, like, show wreck. But him used to have this song where, it was a John Legend song where he used to sing. And I remember one of the night them, I don't remember if it's Riverton. I don't remember if it's Riverton or it was Riverton, I think. I call him forward and him sing. Him go on good, but him never bust the place, or him usually bust the place. I remember I said to him, say, yo, when we get back the mic from him, I said, don't move. I said, John Legend, them big already, and you don't prove to the people them say you can sing. Me want to hear Dexter Daps sing my song. And him say some sing a thing on him Pretty Nicky. Yo, the man have a song on him Pretty Nicky where I used to sing them time you know from. And when the man sing Pretty Nicky, you know, the whole, every girl at Riverton, everybody at Riverton, Bridging. It's like a one total different artist from what just done profile. Yeah. The man bust the place in a minces. Me don't know if you go back and do know to how hard you go. But you don't know me name Bugle and me nah go call you up when me song them done. You see, so me go go hard and call you up, you know. But when you done sing, me go have song like Pearly Gates, you see.
Pearly Gates.
You see, no worry about your bridging, the show just start again. Yeah. I remember me I take the mic from him the second time and I say, him bad down the girl, them say, yeah, make him sing again. And I say, yeah. I'm gonna do that everywhere. Remember 2014 fam, me do every free show we keep Boya. Just so me can introduce Dexter Daps to the people them. And I tell the people them say, next year, him I gonna be the biggest thing. Remember me I do this November, December, October, November, December. Name the ghetto show them we keep Boya.
Yeah, did it.
And January it, you know. After me I tell the people them last month, say him I gonna be the biggest thing. The next month him come be the biggest thing. You see? So and just me and my mindset and my energy and from a real talent then me I go give the energy. Because I always have somebody I try with.
Dexter Daps.
Jamil Dexter Daps.
Bugle. Influence greatly them emergence in the business.
Yeah man.
Give thanks, brother.
Give thanks.
So you're there though, Bugle. You have a thing which why you want it. The journey from Portland wasn't in vain.
No, definitely not. Me make just like in the Rasta party, me say every Bubba we see me and say me make them proud. Yeah. Everybody at Portland, me make them proud.
So Sirani voice though.
Yeah, Sirani voice.
Big song again.
Big song again.
And that are early in our catalog because we have million big songs after
that.
Yeah
man, whole heap of big songs we have after that, man. Whole heap. TJ Records, the same TJ I'm going. It's TJ produced like even Blame Life and Pearly Gates. TJ produced them two songs there. TJ produced a song from one name, Please, who are one of the biggest songs on some island.
Yes.
Please protect me from my friends while I try to protect myself from my enemies, Lord, Lord, Lord. Cause all your friends them hurt you. Set up the cops to search you. So my catalog is an ever-growing catalog. Even ZJ Chrome produced song for me where me never hear it play at Jamaica yet, but when me there Europe, me have to close show that. So enough of them a snake in a lion clubhouse. Them around the church and the Oro house. So last year I forbid. Chrome, one of the biggest songs in Europe for me that.
Yeah.
You see, Andrew Blacks produced big song for me same way too. Baby, me would have there with you, but guess why ain't no healthy? That's a way. You see, Sean is It sang same way too. In the Rasta party, Jordan, Chimney. I don't worry about them pagans.
But hold on, that you can't just glass over that. That's my favorite bugle. So here we go on. You have to go give me a piece of that.
Yeah, man, I don't know. They
Yeah,
were there,
man.
so live. You see? I don't worry about them pagans. Me done see them through me Ray-Ban. Teach them we know worried about them roaches. Because me done have me bacon. And we no worry about life. But me worried about the head. Teach them we no worried about what gone already. When we worry about what not going yet. Just have a plan for every man. That's why me no worry about no one. What me do I stay focused, stay strong, pay attention to the journey where me depend. People always a go have bad for say. Develop negative in a positive today. Yeah, they always talking shit. But the time when you lose are the time when you quit. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
I don't worry about them pagans. Me don't see them through me Ray-Ban. Teach them and me no worry about them roaches. Cause me don't have me bacon. And me no worry about life. But me worry about the head. Teach them and we no worry about what gone already. When me worry about what not going yet. Serious with my thing, me not play. For the work what we do, them can't pay. No matter how life blurry. Fixing a hurry. Only way me a go worry if me can't pray. Remember for every action is a reaction. Negative or positive. You have an option of can't be a real man. But I am. Cause I judge and me rely upon. Hey, hey. I don't worry about them pagans. Me don't see them through me Ray-Ban. Teach them and we no worry about them roaches. Cause me don't have me bacon. And we no worry about life. But me worry about the head. And we no worry about what gone already. When me worry about what not gone yet.
Brother.
Mm-hmm.
Song
And the journey continues.
journey continues.
As I say, life still well, because that's what I reach right now, you know, with that song when name Life Still Well.
Life still well.
You know, and even, because me did cut from that circa 2015, you know,
Yeah.
6 years ago.
Your decision or
My decision. My decision.
any
'Cause,
particular reason?
well, guess what happened now? It's like Dexter Dapp's boss. And Dexter Dapp's a run, which, you know, we set that.
Yes.
We set that. But that's the cannot pay Bugle no mind. Because the whole of the focus are Dexter.
Yeah.
Which me not have no problem because this is our vision
Yes.
come to life. Because I not live dreaming, I live reality. So this is our vision forward in our life now and it's real. But at the same time, you have to understand, say, a bugle this. Well, if I want a song for record or whatever the case is, then come record the song.
Yes.
If I have a video for show
Come
for
show
David and that's it. So, you understand? But I not feel good for no say, I like, nobody now look for me now when I mean say that's something here. You understand what I say? So I say, here we go on, fair peaceful life. I love them youth here too much. I go just allow them to do what them I do and me go set a thing because I grow it, you know.
Yes.
And you as you live in your father's house no means say he is not a man, you know. You see? But when you're out of your father's house now, and when the real growth shows, so he's a real man.
Yes.
So me have to leave that because as me I say, I love them youth too much and there was no negative energy. It's just that the whole focus shift.
Yes.
And me an artist where me used to get that energy there. So if me now get it no more, me I go feel like okay, them youth are not really pay me no attention no more, and me want them pay Dexter all the attention or them can pay him. So me I go just go fly a studio and set my thing. And that's how me end up buy a property, build my own studio. And me and them always good. It's just last week David and Curry there.
Yeah.
So it's not like said, you see, me and Dexter Daps not talk on a daily, but me and Dexter Daps great. Me and Dexter Daps never have no problem yet in my entire life. Dexter Daps is like one of the baddest artists boss for the past 6 years.
True that.
Recording, performance,
Everything.
Him is just,
That's true.
him is the face of dancehall music right now. No question about that. And every time I see him, I just see him do a show in Florida, we look like about 20,000
See,
people
the
there.
woman them out to kidnap you, brother.
And fam, like, me just a smile. Me watch everything. Me just dead there and I watch and I smile and I say, like, you know, when you remember the journey, I remember I said, this is the same you used to call up and look upon him now.
Give thanks.
And give thanks. It's just a joy. He make me proud, fam. And Dexter, I've said, anywhere you're there on earth, brother, like, you have to just know, say, Jah love you and you're a great artist and you have a million more miles to travel musically. What I say, million? 10 billion more miles you have to travel musically. You see, because your talent...
You see it in eye for true, man.
Yeah, say, your talent is normal. And just the mere fact say, there is no... You not left no space for no mistake. The song them bad. Your image connect. Your delivery on the stage bad. True. You understand? So you not left no space for no mistake. For no man say, okay, him bad, but
him can't perform.
That not dead. Him cover every ground. So him use him talent in every way. So every time you hear a Dexter Dap song, I have to listen. Then my artist, this Dexter and Jamil, no man on earth can't tell me nothing about them two youth. No matter why, if I don't see Jamil for a year, when I see about Jamil, we hug up and build with conversation and we talk and we reason about everything. Because Jamil is like my little brother, you know. I know his mother and father and them have conversation. When I call the house, I have to talk to everybody, you know. You see? I just saw it go. I'm a bridging them, I'm a love them. I'm going to always love them. I know everybody in the music, I connect with certain way, but I have certain people. You understand what I say, fam? I have certain people I connect with. Teflon and Sizzler will forever my general. Bounty Killer is forever my general. You understand me? I say, Taurus Riley and my brother, as I say, Busy Signal, him, like, more time I don't even see Busy as an artist. I just see him as my brother this is from them time there until now. And I may have a couple other people I'm connected to, same way. Loot and Fire, I'm the artist, Ibamar, I'm general. You see me? I say, I have a couple people I'm connected to, same way to well. You don't know that the interview is not about that. So I'm not going to call out everybody's name. Yeah. You know, we have certain producers, same way to like a Sean is like Andrew Blacks, where me just feel like, even though me know, say me not owe nobody nothing, but I feel like them youth contribute so much to me. You know, there's if them man ever link with a rhythm and me in a record enough, it's because I can't find a song for the rhythm, you know. Because I'm not going to force it. If I not,
yes, I can't find it.
You understand?
Can't find it.
But the man can't link me with rhythm and I not sing, brother. Yeah. TJ Records, the man can't give me rhythm and I not sing. That's Yeka. You're mad. No, man, I have to sing.
You ain't really good, Bugle?
No.
Will ever be?
I could skip that. I really want to go back to that.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. When I talk about songs like Untitled yet.
Untitled. Wow.
So what that was the title track for the album.
Yeah.
That your first production.
Album. Yeah, no, that was the album produced by me and Daciaka.
By you and Daciaka.
But the song was produced by Apilus.
Apilus.
Yeah.
And that was your first album.
Untitled, that my first album, 2014. Late 2014 we put that out.
Other albums include?
I produced my second album. When I just left my studio, 2017, I produced a Be Yourself album.
Be Yourself.
Big album. Then 2019, me again produced an album, Picture Perfect.
Picture Perfect.
I think one of the baddest albums.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think a lot of people still love Untitled because of the comparison at the time. You know, like, me have Till Shiloh and The Real Thing as two of the biggest albums.
Easily, with some of the junior gang them.
With some of the junior gang
Halfway Tree and probably Stone.
Yeah, definitely, all of the junior gang them. But Till Shiloh and The Real Thing.
The two biggest albums not in the history of music.
For me.
Still.
And when me put out Untitled album, that was a comparison. And it overwhelming for me. Because Bugle is somebody who I idolize in the music same way too. I have 4 brethren who outside of my personal friend, them like my Busy Signal and even Assassin. And Popcorn is a youth I'm rate too. I have 4 artists where I look up to. music me talk about, you know, because I no business about no man on them personal
Yes.
life, you know, brethren. And this is Vibes Cartel,
Yeah.
Sizzla Kalonji,
Miguel.
Buju Banton, and Bounty Killer. Is them 4 artists there? The 4 baddest thing ever walked the earth in our music.
What is it about Cartel?
Cartel. Now you see how Cartel build him career, not just as an artist, but as a businessman,
The brand.
as a brand. No other artist has never done
No
that.
other artist.
And it's not like Cartel is the best artist on earth,
No.
but just to how him sell himself, you will convince him is the greatest thing ever walk
A
planet
lot of
Earth.
people convince you, the brother.
You understand what I
Yes.
say? Him is a great artist.
Yeah,
As me I say,
man.
I have artists like Sassin. Sassin super bad. Sassin is not a regular
I
artist.
know me have to tell that still, but give
You
thanks.
see?
Yeah, man.
Sassin bad.
Yeah.
Busy and not a regular artist,
Sure.
brother. Them man they cut out for this. It's like just put them on a machine when they music and cut them out.
Yes.
So you know say music you have to go do.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
You tell me about why you appreciate Killer and why you appreciate Sizzla. What is it about Gaga, man?
Buju Banton now. You see, Buju Banton and Capleton for me take the same, because Capleton is my artist. Yeah. Buju Banton and Capleton for me take the same route for forward in the Rastafarian world.
Yes.
You see, 2 of them forward out. Remember when Capleton just forward out, them time I do have my pre-music. Like,
Yes.
because I hate this Capleton boss, don't
Yeah, man, long time.
me a baby. Never forward out as King Shango, forward out as Capleton.
Capleton, yeah.
And Bombard and all them song, yeah. And him a do it and him a do it and him a do it as one of the most energetic, as one of the baddest. And then Capleton stays on and go ras. And it never dropped for a second. And just to how him divert from Ballet to Rasta and hold it up there, so.
Respect you.
Enough man try that and it no work for them, you know. Buju Banton, when Buju Banton I do all him dancehall thing them. You know the artist Buju Banton are one of the hottest artists, him just change
Yes.
and go till Shiloh.
Till Shiloh.
How can you
Different
not
meds.
rate a man like that? And it never him get bigger. Him get 10 times as big as him was. You see? And then just the song them when they on the album like Till Shiloh fam when you listen to them song they fam.
A different level of album.
It's a
that's
different
true
level
that
of album. So even when Panet drop out now, them 2 man there was 2 other artists them who make song about Panet and it become 2 of the biggest song them. Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. You have to appreciate people like that who show you say, yo, you can move from negative to positive any time of the day and people
maintain
accept
it.
you. You understand? Because it's easier for people to accept you coming from negative to positive than people that accept you coming from positive to negative, you know.
True.
Because you're not supposed to go backward in a life, you know, fam. You're supposed to go forward, you know. But if you move from God to the devil, it means you go backward.
Yeah.
If you move from right to wrong, it means you go backward. And it not necessarily means that the man them did that do wrong. But the music changed. The message changed. And that within itself is an inspiration.
Growth, man. Progress.
For not just for me, but for the music industry. That show youth like me, say you can do reggae music. You don't have to do dancehall, you don't have to do that, you can do that. You don't have to do reggae, you can do dancehall, you don't have to do dancehall, you can do reggae. And still be a man. All you have to do is just be yourself. Because for me, all the man that do that will be themselves. And it no matter how you find righteousness, as long as you find it. That are the most important. That are one of the most important
That makes
things.
sense.
You see, in being oneself, King, is key to life.
Yes.
And you can see, say, this with the man that look like them band away. Yeah. It no look like no facade, they like no makeup, they like no put on. It's just the whole energy. It's so natural and real, fam. It's so connected. You have to respect them, man, the King.
Bugle have 1 million songs. 1,000,001.
A lot. A lot. And we still have, because even the 3rd album is 20 songs, you know.
20 songs.
Yeah, so with the 3 album I put out, I think is like 2015 that are 35 and another 15 or 50 songs upon them 3 album there.
They released a mixtape in about 2012, the Psalms.
Psalms.
And about 43 songs upon
About
that.
43 songs. And when you put them
Man, one
43,
mixtape.
and when you put that 43 songs there with the album now you have 93 songs.
Yes.
And that was like my third mixtape because Journeys was my first mixtape.
Okay.
And Journeys is probably another 35 songs. So you gone over 100 there, so already, you understand what I say? So
And many of these songs are hit songs.
Yeah,
and
man.
not just recording a song.
fam, one of the
Number
things
ones.
one of the thing I don't like with doing shows in Jamaica, I love doing shows everywhere in the world, but one of the things where I not really like with doing shows in Jamaica is because you don't get the chance to really sing. And when you're there, when me there foreign, people are beg me to stay longer. People are beg me 2 hours.
Yes.
When me there Jamaica, they beg me 20 minutes. You have a song like What Have I Done to You? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? Them songs, they're big song. Everywhere. Literally everywhere. Black
big song in
people
Jamaica
are we
too.
run the world and it's evident. Cause we are moved from slavery to president. Them songs, they're big song fam. You see, so it's not like, you know, we've been a do it fam. And a lot of people might not even realize
Yes.
how much hit song Bugle make until them see me on a show.
Yeah.
And that's one of the problem of Jamaica. People don't even get to say you sing the whole of them song if them don't know. Because I just 20 minutes to get to sing 5 out of 500. You see, and when you're on a show at Jamaica, you rehearse and them tell you, say, okay, 30 minutes. And you do your 30 minutes rehearsal, you put your show together.
And I still
But then when you
get
reach
to
at the
guy
stage,
venue.
you know, the man them a tell you, say, you know, because of time,
15,
15 minutes, I said, then, oh, me rehearse, it's not tracks. Oh, me, I got cut out 15 minutes out of my show. What me if do right? So them think that we even show you off as the artist to like, you know?
Yeah.
This at Jamaica alone, I see them thing you go on see. So the man them need to fix them little thing that too and just know, say, yo, work one time and until a man miss him slot and him can't do the show, a man nah go stop late.
True that still.
So when a man miss him slot and know, say, if him now come 9 o'clock, him nah get for work again, then a man I know, say, yo, me have to reach 9. So the man them have to do them thing there. Yeah.
Bugle, a man with a catalogue as large and diverse with so many hit songs as yours, when discussions come up about big artists in the business, a man really into the music would then call a Bugle name. You feel like you're underrated and all the things, sir?
Well, guess what going on now? I get that every day, and I'm not going to say nay, and I'm not going to say yeah. Because if you don't think that I'm getting what I deserve, then it's okay for you to say that. And that is what I'm called underrated.
Yes.
But personally, I'd rather to be underrated than overrated. Because when you're underrated, then it's only great people alone you're underrated. That's the first thing. Because if there wasn't greatness, then you wouldn't be underrated. But when you're overrated, it's because you don't deserve what you are get.
True.
You understand?
True.
So I'd rather to be underrated
Than overrated.
because the people them who are underrated, we eventually see them.
Come around.
You understand? But the man them are overrated, them not have no room to go up.
Yes.
Them only have room to come down.
But do you never sit down and meds and say, I mean, look how much work I'm doing. I just feel like Jamaican people don't really appreciate me as they should.
Here how me look upon life. You see which part me I fought from and which part me there? Jamaican people put me there. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, what is it for me? What me need to complain about?
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
That viewpoint.
Yeah, at the end of the day, I still me name Bugle. And if me up on a show with any artist in our diaspora,
Yes.
you are going to feel a Bugle energy, different from everybody else up on the show. And that's because the people them were in the audience like Bugle music.
Yes.
So even if say, the man don't like Bugle personally, but you see Bugle song when you exercise, I'm a song that, so I'm going to react to it when you sing it. You understand? So you see through me so consistent with my music, people eventually just give you the glory, just say, yo, here we go on King. Him bad. Give him what due to him bad. And when you see me on a show is when you really know, say, you know, you know, say I'm dangerous to truth.
Watch it out, Bugle. I am learning the music still, yeah? Because we're still fairly young in this and I learn as I go along. See, but you have some artists where I'm going at the recording board in bad, when go up on stage, in
no
flat.
bad.
You understand? A Bugle, record, perform, right. Complete artist settings that you know.
Give thanks.
When you look upon the business, Zane, and you analyze what go on, what would you say make you so different from many people? Because I know many people have that. You will put an assassin in that, you will probably put a busy in that, and a few other people. Will have that package there. Yeah? And something you do outside of the music for reach there, so I just, you're a gift that.
It's more than just a gift. Because a whole lot of people get gift and can't use it. I don't know how to use it still.
Yeah.
So, okay then. If I give you, if you say you want a farm, and me give you 10 acres of land, and you say you want to plant coffee, and me give you the coffee them, and you only plant them and gone, the coffee them not going to reach nowhere. You have to plant the coffee them, you have to make sure so them get fertilizer, you have to make sure so you maintain the farm. You have to chop around the grass when it want chop down, and prune them when them need pruning, and deal with them like how you deal with a baby. You understand what I say? So really and truly, you will have something, but you don't know how to actually make it into something bigger.
Yes.
Me love music with a passion from, as I said, from before I know what I can get out of music. You see, so true, me so passionate about music now, me want to do music to the best of my ability. And me wanting to do music to the best of my ability, me not go write a idiot song, because that's not the best of my ability.
Yeah.
That means me not go record a idiot song. And when me dep on the show, me want you to connect with my music, just like how me want to connect with you as the audience. So me I go perform and present my song to you to the best of my ability. You understand what I say? So I think Jaggy we a gift.
Yes.
All of the names them you call and many more, Jaggy we a gift. But at the end of the day, I know we alone get that gift there. Enough man get it, but enough man don't know how to actually nourish it.
And nourish it. You say you're right, all your songs them.
I have like maybe about 3-4 songs that wasn't written by me.
Okay.
But it me intimidate people so much from like a man think so hard. Like when a man fall to me and say, I have a song and I say, yeah, I say, yo, I don't know still, you know, but I feel like enough man fall to me with songs and I listen the first 2 lines and I can't listen no more because I know my thing. But there's a few songs, maybe about 4 songs. I remember me I do a song with Taurus Riley, and the producer them link Taurus to do the song. It's a love song. When them link Taurus to do the song, Taurus tell them, say, yo, this sound like Bugle, you know. So if you can't get Bugle on it, then we will do it with him. But if you can't get Bugle on it, then it not go work. And them come find me. Yeah. And when them come find me and them say Taurus, I say, what you talk about? I love Taurus, man. If I him send on the tune to me, I go sing. And I sing and call Taurus and him come sing. And I know me write the song, but I love the song bad.
Do you write for anybody officially?
Even Taurus I write song for. Taurus have a song where say, I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry can't dry the tears, baby. Me give Taurus a song there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Who else?
You're right for Ellie, you're right for Killer.
Yeah.
I'm more than one song Killer do, you right?
Yeah, Killer they do another song when I write, but this have to das year. I don't even remember that song because I don't think it did. I don't remember if them did release it or did the release, but it never really, you know, get that run there. But yeah, I think I write 2 songs for Roundhead back then too when I write for Elephant.
Okay.
Who else? I kind of did cut off of the writing for other people because of the bad experience. I just never want to write no more song for nobody. You know, somebody just take myself away from writing for other people still.
Yeah.
They just want, like every song when I write me, they just want to sing them after everything. Yeah.
Bugle is not only a recording artist, a stage performer, a writer, but Bugle is also a music man. You produce.
Yeah.
Which part of the music you're most comfortable with?
Every part. I love the production part
the
because I have a
production?
good ears for that. By the way, every song when me sing for every other producer is me produce the vocals.
Yeah.
And can me do everything.
Yes.
90% of the time, 99% of the time I record a song, the producer not there nowhere near. Him just send the rhythm and I just produce the vocals and send it back to him. Me see and him edit and him mix. So I been at the production basically. You see, kind of producer and come sit down and say, go there, so do this, because that's that producer supposed to do. So now when me advise an artist, me sit down in the studio, no matter who the artist is, and I say, try this, make me hear it. So sometimes me really hear something I want and the artist can't get it, and I go in at the booth and sing it and say,
do that.
Listen to it and do it, and when them do it, it's wicked. I produced a song sometime last year with me, Kabaka Pyramid and Jesse Royal name. What name again? Change the World.
Change the World.
Yeah. And that song there is like a personal project because at the time the whole thing I go on, you know, with everything I go on in America.
Yeah.
George Floyd thing.
Okay.
All of that I go on and people keep coming to me and say, we need to hear you sing about it. Because when you sing about it, then, you know, we'll get a good song. And every time somebody come to me, I tell about probably 10, 15 people, you know. And every time somebody say to me, I say, but this is what I've been a sing about. When you listen to a song like, we smile, we ball, we rise, we fall, but we will rise again. It's the same thing I sing about. You understand what I say? So me always I say, but maybe not sing about this thing every day, so what is it? And them I say, no, why you sing about this?
They want to hear the name, man, and the whole
story.
story.
I sit down right under the bamboo tree one day, I met Spanish because to the amount of people who come at me with it. And I say, no, I'm going to sing a song about it, but I want to sing it like a George Floyd write it. You see?
Yeah.
And how I start meds it now, I say, no, say, this bigger than George Floyd, you know. This is Marcus Garvey, this is Harriet Tubman, this is Frederick Douglass, this is Luther King, this is you name. This is Jesse Owens, this is everybody. You know, we fight.
That struggle there.
That struggle there. Because George Floyd just really there.
Right,
really down here, so, you know, to which part this thing I come from. So me can't just, you know, me have to make it wide and broad. You see, and originally when I wrote the song and go into the studio and record it, I never do it with the intention of putting anybody on it. But when I done and listen to the song now, I say, no, I need Bounty and Sizzler on this. Sizzler work on 3 albums. Just signed a deal with a company and I work on 3 albums, so the time did actually rough on him. Bounty Killer did I work on an album at the time too. If you know, so I have an album for come out right now. So time did really a clash, but when me did I do at the time, me couldn't wait. And now, so I have to find replacement, which really and truly, who you can use to replace Bounty and Sizzler? Nobody. It's just you have to make other people who you know say can carry out that work here. And not just carry out that work here, but people who you believe in terms of them believe in the same thing where you are. You understand? And because the reason why I choose Bounty and Sizzler in the first place is because of how outspoken they are with the whole situation there. And Kabaka Pyramid is a vocal youth. I mean him reason and him very vocal on certain things. If you listen to his music, you realize him not only say them things in a song, him a forward from a deeper place. And Jesse Royal too. Me and him have conversation and I realize you know, is a deeper youth than what most people probably even see. And I tell them, say, I have a song when I write and would I love the two on the forward on it. And man, them excited. 2 of them forward one night. I'm going to the studio and record it. Every line just like me write it, them record it. I write the treatment for the video and direct the video. And that the first me ever do that. But this was a personal project. And to it personal, me use Red Boom to mix the vocals and Andrew Black to mix the rhythm. Me just did want something different. And trust me, wicked.
Of all the songs that you have recorded, which song mean the most to you?
Exercise.
That was the one where kick down your door.
Everything. So for me, the starting of anything is the most important part of it. Because without the start, then you wouldn't have nothing. So me I go right to the root. Exercise.
Normally, the song where I said that mean the most to you, but is that your favorite song, your favorite piece of work?
I don't have a favorite song.
Piece of no song, not appeal to you more than none Bugle.
No. I don't know if I should say unfortunate, because for me it's not an unfortunate situation. It's just that I believe in what I do to the point where I just love everything what I do.
Yes.
I may have a whole heap of song will come out when a bus.
True.
Well, a big song them too.
I just want to ask, say, have you done a song where you think get the justice where it deserves?
Enough. Whole heap.
If people did hear them song, they would then kick down
big.
the road.
Big. When you listen to all Picture Perfect album and you hear a song like Stereotype.
Good piece of song, man. How long song?
How Stereotype go again? Society no love we at all. Smile with we, but them love when we ball. Me know the problem can't solve, but you involved, you no answer when the poor man call. Woo, society no love we at all. Smile with we, but them love when we ball. Me know the problem can't solve, but you involved, you ignore the poor man call. Well, them already have them agenda, everything planned out. Who fi gain and who fi lose and who fi get handout. If you don't stand firm, then you won't stand out. Now I'm not clout to say the right thing, but it's like the wrong mouth. Yes, to be a Chinese, me see them least will hands out. From
Mad.
I have a song named 24 Hours. What if we all just wanna take a rest and no one goes to work? Then the consequence might hurt someone deeper than ourselves. What if we all just wanna take a rest and no one goes to work? Then the consequence might hurt someone deeper. What if the man will clean the road, him not decide for sweep, and the cops them in the jeep decide for sleep? Pastors will fi preach, disciple feast, be in the nest them beside the tree. Flee, take a day off because him feel if teachers not go and teach misguided keys, then each is his own man. Instantly street outbreak with thugs and young girls go breed. Doctors stop study indeficiency, get preoccupied from preventing ease or any new form of pandemic disease. Yes, the world agrees intermittently. We all just wanna take a rest and no one goes to work. Then the consequence might hurt someone deeper than ourselves. What if we all just wanna take a rest and no one goes to work? Then the consequence might hurt someone deeper. We mind clean, but we still a get brainwashed. Graffiti to the wall, we ideas with paintbrush. The plagues them, still a plague us, hilarious. The aim was to tame us by famous insane as leaders in need of a change, but they ain't gonna see that. Scrutinize you and I, who a try, humanize, truth and lie to comply, all as idiots. Enough have sights, but lack vision. Yeah, every day me see the same thing I repeat, but me live my life as a vegan, no beef. Them want my heart go, a cappella no beat. Give me 7 days for live, me tell them no week. Show our fans if you agree, we need to strike like a lightning. But if we do, we get a rest like a NyQuil. Remember back then we used to fight like a Viking. Black was disadvantage, only privilege was white skin. Back when Marcus Garvey, only villages was fighting. A school of people fighting for a class. Instead we focus precisely we a flask. Endorsing positivity, give us a chance. We all just wanna take a rest and no one goes to work.
Where's Bugle's favorite place to perform?
Where? And when we get on stage.
That's a good answer. That's a good answer, right?
I love sing from, I love sing for people, whether it's, local or abroad. I know when I get on stage. I love the stage. I love the studio. And that's why I invest all of my money in our studio.
All your money?
Yeah.
Is there any way where you don't go work it where someday you hope to reach there, sir?
I only go one country in Africa.
Which is?
Gambia.
Gambia.
I mean, I got a lot of requests from Africa throughout the years, but always I fall through because Africa is a tricky place. You have to know what you are doing because you will end up going to Africa and the thing just not work out how you expect it to work out. So
You still want to go some more places?
I want to travel the whole of Africa. I want to go the whole of, from Gabon, go right round to Ethiopia. You name it. I want to go to Africa go sing. I've been getting a lot of requests even right now through this whole pandemic thing. People keep on, as soon as this, please come to Kenya, please come to Zimbabwe. Please, we need you in South Africa, we love you. I'm going to get that 1 billion times. Fam.
You're going to get this cool, chill, humble vibe. Yeah? And were you like this before? I just you this from them time. Is the Rastafari and Livity, you kind of take on the calmness there.
I was a bit more aggressive.
You were?
Yeah. Just a little bit more aggressive. He's always a calm person, you know, but there was aggression at some point. You know, there was ignorance at some point. But, you know, change is forward. As I say, as soon as, you know, we move from one stage to the other stage, then we see with true purpose more.
Yes.
And realize, this is another thing. And you cannot do this if you do this.
Yes.
You understand? So, the whole Bobo Shanti thing actually give me another view on life. It made me know more how to love people. It made me
more tolerant.
Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, give thanks to Rasta.
At this stage of the journey continues, what would you say is your single greatest achievement at this point along the journey?
One in my own studio.
One in your own studio. I realize that means a lot to you, brother.
Yeah, because...
You spend all your money.
Yeah, because guess what going on? I remember when I tried to get in our studio for work.
Difficult it was.
Even being at Shocking Vice Gate, I tried to get in. And if you do get in at the yard, it means you get in at the studio. And me, I just one out of the multitude of youth. Where I looked at opportunity there. And enough youth still go through that. You understand? Enough youth, even though it's easier now and more accessible now because everybody have a studio in them house. But you still have people out there who still...
Well, know the thing more than you.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So, me having a studio, I every day youth forward. And enough of them sing, enough not sing, not because we have a studio and want to help you, means everybody will forward through the gate, I just go in a studio go sing. Yeah,
stages and phases.
Yeah. You will get there if you're serious about your craft and the talent there and, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is there anything musically that you not achieve it or you still hope to achieve?
Well, heaps same way.
Talk to me now.
I don't win no Grammys.
You don't win no Grammys.
And that's one of the big achievements where I think every youth will do music. It's not like I sit around and I wait for a Grammy, but would I love the accolades, would I love the achievement there? I mean, when I put out my Picture Perfect album 2019, it was 120 albums submitted for the reggae category. And out of the 120 albums, them choose 50 at first. And out of the 50, them select 5.
Yes.
And when you get the email, it shows you one number, your album come up. And my album came up at 11. So for me, that is also a great achievement because me not have no big company. I don't know. For me, it's me submit that.
You submit
it's me submit that to the Grammys. So for go through all of that by yourself as a single-handed, is an effort where you do single-handedly and then you see it reach there. So them see the name, them acknowledge your work. You understand what I say? So out of one, remember, 120.
Yeah.
And you see 11, that means you pass 109. You see, so I'm not start put out album. This year I put out an album.
It almost completed.
My
just
album.
Work for this year.
Here how me build the whole of my album them now. Me are the artist there, we can take 1 week and do an album. And when I say 1 week and do an album, I don't mean a cobbler thing.
Yeah.
I don't mean nothing where you go here. Because if you listen to my 3 albums, then you realize none of them are no cobbler thing. I mean always a record, so I have like a
collection
a song bank.
Okay.
So the song them lodge. You understand? So more time I just go withdraw some song and just, you understand?
Yeah.
Put them together and yeah.
But you
So
intend to release something this year?
I have to. It's every 2 years.
Every 2
15,
years.
17, 19, 21.
One.
If me there, I have life. What else am I for do? Just do an album. Me just now go do the 20 track this time around.
13?
12, 13.
12, 13.
Yeah. John him 12 disciple, you know.
Looking at the journey, Bugle, if you get the chance to redo it, musical journey, is there anything we then do differently?
Yeah.
Namely?
The song that I'm write for other people,
Yeah.
would I make sure say
The right paperwork involved.
the right paperwork.
Publishing.
involved. So the business part
The
would have
business
been
part of the business.
the business part of the business would have been is
Alright.
one would have do different.
Government name is Roy Thompson.
Yeah.
The world knows you as Bugle.
Bugle.
Bugle is a brass instrument. How you come by the name there?
Friends who think that I love music so much, I should actually have the name of a musical instrument. And I mean, if a man did say drum,
Yeah, they take it.
guitar, trombone, that not sound like
That
somebody.
don't sound like
When
that's
you
the way
hear
they
Bugle
think,
now,
yeah.
you say, yo, that connect. And a lot of people up to today don't know that a bugle is a musical instrument. And it happened in such a way from like, you know, even with the whole Anointed thing, and me, I have a song named Anointed, and I build my studio, Anointed, my whole brand, you know, become the Anointed brand.
Oh, so the label is
The label is
Anointed.
Anointed Entertainment.
Mad thing.
Yeah, and up to this time, me not even did know the true meaning of the number 9, when me spell it A-N, number 9, T-E-D. You understand what I say?
That's exactly what I said.
Do some homework, Google the
go
true
do it,
meaning of
man.
number 9.
I go do it.
Yeah, and everybody where I watch, just Google it. Me don't want to say it, just Google number 9.
Yeah?
You see, yeah. And me never know, to tell the truth, me never know. It's just after now, me I say, me need to know. And then me start do some check and realize, whoa, this connect in so many ways.
Jah works again.
Jah works again.
As I said, Bugle, your demeanor, your disposition is one of your humility and humbleness.
Give thanks.
But you say, you know, there have been times when you have a little rough edge. Has there been any feud, conflict between Bugle and anybody in the business?
In the business, no.
Not the business.
Me, as me I say, from which part we are forward from and which part we reach, King, I like, it's just like me tell people, so I can't hype, because all of the things that I'm for hype, but me live it already. But me live it with another artist.
Yes.
You understand what I say? So it's like, what is there for me to hype about when me do BET and me do the MTV red
yeah.
carpet and me do the whole 106 and Park and them things there already, and me never hype them time, so why would I hype now? You understand what I say? Like, my humbleness is just me. It's an inborn thing. So as much as we did a little edgy before now, it's just circumstances more while. You understand what I say? Your environment sometimes actually influence you.
Naturally.
Because you become a product of your environment. Sometimes not by choice. You understand what I say? So the whole of them things that happen, man, we rub off them edge they do, we file them down.
Refinement.
And then refine now and smooth, you know. So we don't really make certain things better we no more, but we not fool, you know, and we not walk over.
That's important, brother.
Yeah, we not really
That is
run
very
certain
important
joke
about
with
that.
people. So me
not like them
a
style,
person I know where a man we all diss me,
Yeah.
and I not say nothing. But him have to diss me like on social media, for me not say nothing.
Yeah.
Because guess what going on? Me, I know the type who I got up on my phone and argue with you and I tell
Oh,
you.
yes, I
I can't do that. First thing, I don't even know who they behind that text there.
Yes. True.
You see? I don't know who they behind that text there. So for me, I back and forth with you, a waste of time. But if it's a personal thing now, and you forward and say what you're going to say in a text to my face, then different settings. Because as I say, we are not fools still.
Can't be that boy,
Yeah,
bro.
can't be that boy. We no walk over. I not argue with nobody from like that not me.
Bugle left Portland with a desire to make it in the music business.
Definitely.
You have achieved that.
Yeah.
But if it was a music, if music thing never work out, is there any one thing out there where you say, you know, me I enjoy that enough for work, to put some food on my family table?
My fashion design.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You design some of my things when you wear?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Actually. Alright, so this one I wear.
Yeah.
Name Vanta. Vanta gear. Is this bridging based in New York, see? Or is a yard youth from down at Chevy and Park him forward from, and him live in New York and him a do him thing. I knew him before he migrated to New York. And Mark Bridging, Mark, which is my friend, Mark. And Mark Bridging, where them go school together and everything. And I know Vanta do him thing, Oret him name. I know Oreta do him thing and everything until 2019 when I go to New York and I see Oret things them. And I say, Oret, them are bad because they bring some stuff for Mark. So I say then, Oret, all them things are so bad they bring for Mark and they bring none for me. Where I deal it? And the man say, all right, man, don't say a word. And him link me back and bring some things. And remember me I put on, I go to Florida the following week and I put on a Vanta track suit and I go to Florida from. And I stay and take a picture in a chair and post it, brother. And I like from a post the picture, even about 2 weeks ago, him call me and I say, Bugle, I can't thank you enough, you know. From you put on my clothes, everything just get anointed. That's the same word where him said to me. And there's things where like would I call him and say, alright, I feel like you have to try this. And him say, no, some of that idea, they hear that bad. You know, even one day I wear something in our video, a Vanta tap in our video where me tell him how I want it. And him do it
and send it on.
Bad. I tell him, say, alright, you must say, I see that now, I sue you. Trouble me thing.
How many children?
How many children?
Yeah.
4.
4.
I'm counting.
And
I joke. I joke.
You see a big old ring, I draw down your man hand.
Me?
Yeah.
No, man, this is not big.
Is that big?
No, it's not.
Bugle is a married man.
This is not a married ring.
It's a married ring.
Middle finger.
Oh, let me that one, me ask.
No, I'm not married.
That's right.
No,
Who if you take out that journey?
if me have on a married ring, you see it as some
brother, some
hide
people
my
ring
wife.
can't fit on there.
So what you buy it for then? Where your finger to lose weight? You tell me say man finger lose weight?
Look here, some people wear ring anyway, man. Don't worry about it, man.
Okay.
But you they take on that journey there one of them time.
Yeah, then a life, man. And yeah, man. I mean, marriage is two people come together and the pastor say, I know pronounce your husband and wife and you may kiss your bride. And them say, yes, no, you're Mr. and Mrs. Thompson.
Yeah.
But just say take a woman onto you and call her your wife. So me can just take a woman onto me and
Call her your wife.
I'm a wife, you know. and we live the life we're supposed to live as husband and wife.
Yes.
It's just like even enough things in the Bible where a man would have said to me, say, the Bible say. Me not go do that because the Bible say. Me never need the Bible to tell me this, me know this, you know. Because me have sense and Jah give me that. You see? But then again, common sense not so common.
True that.
So enough people have to actually see it before them believe it. You understand? So it tell me, say, if this never say in the Bible, then a whole lot of people would have do it. Enough more people would have do it. You understand? But me no need the Bible to tell me everything, but you still need positive word as guide, and that's why we listen to certain people. So I'm listen to certain music, because I always a search for education, and education not only come from one place.
Yes.
Because even the Bible, who write the Bible, is somebody who will educate you same way. You understand? So that's how me view life. You cannot do the interview and you say something where me have to think twice. I never hear it before. And I go research it and you teach me something. Not just life.
Teach them. You have worked with Sirani, Jamil, Taros Riley, Lady Saw, Kabaka Pyramid, Jesse Royal,
Jada Kingdom.
Jada Kingdom. Shaggy.
And now I have 2 songs with Sean Paul right now. Him produce one, me produce one. Noah Power.
And
Norman Alexander.
Who
else? Ducky Simpson, man. last album where Ducky Simpson put out that was nominated for a Grammy. I was on that album.
Yeah?
A song with Ducky Simpson.
We call Tyrus already, man. You have worked with many artists in the business.
Yeah,
bro.
man. I have a song with Assassin and Bounty Killer.
Yes.
Some work with
Sasquatch
Assassin.
Killer.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
I have like 2 songs with Papi.
So much song, I don't remember what I did,
I have
brother.
a song with J Island.
J Island.
Of course. I have a song with Beanie Man in my studio right now.
Yeah?
Mix and master and everything. Was just about to put it out and then the whole something here with him and him Empress.
Yeah.
And the song basically I say what happened. And that's the only reason why I draw back the song. Because I don't want it look like say when I look at hype from a mix-up. I know the mix-up lasts for 9 days, so the song only gonna last for 9 days. And this song is bigger than 9 days.
Yes.
So I rather put it out after the 9 days pass.
That said, is there any artist in the business where you know work with collaboratively? You don't love for going to the studio one day, go lay something down on the radio?
Definitely. I would have loved to do a song with Bugle. I would have loved to do a song with, I have a song with Sizzler too.
Yes, you have a song with Sizzler.
I would have loved to do a song with,
So many
I have a song with Cartel too. A Cartel produced when I come out yet.
Oh, okay.
I would have loved to do a song with Movado too. I have a song with Movado, yeah, for real. A song where that's the did produce from them time there. But I would have still want to do back something fresh with Vado. I'm an artist. I have a song with Jamil. I have a song with Octane on my first album.
You have a song with
I have a
Alien?
song with Alien. I have a song with Julian Marley.
You have a song with everybody?
Would I love to do a song with Caputan
Shango.
still. Would I love to do a song
Me
with
feel that energy
Junior
there.
Gang.
Yeah.
You know. And enough little artists there too. Governor is actually one of my favorite out of the new crop too.
Yeah.
Well, we eventually would have loved to do something with Governor at some point. Enough artists there, man, where, because me, to tell the truth, my focus is not here running down international artists.
Other people like DeMarco and a whole heap of people, brother.
Yeah,
Whole heap
man.
of people.
I
You say you have some
do
youths
song
out
with
there.
DeMarco from them time there. I do song with Munga them time there. Not since my boss, but from them time I have song with them you the same way. You did mention Lady Star, right?
Yes,
It's
that's an infidelity that.
Infidelity, big song.
Whole heap of collaboration.
Whole heap of
Whole heap of collaboration.
Because me just one of them youth, the farmer, you know, if you tell you the truth, Bridging, I like, I have a respect in the music business. I have song with Romy and Virgo. I have a respect in the music business where really and truly it not drop. So I say it not drop. It always solid. So when me reach out to anybody at all for do nothing, them not hesitate. The scene, them not hesitate. Because right now I have a song for record with Loot and Fire. By now I'm Monday I have to record a song there. You see? I have a song with I Wayne too.
Fire
Wayne Marshall.
I'm alone in the voice with Bugle.
Yeah, alone in the voice. I just saw my stay, I just work for him, I just sing. A man come link me and say, Bobo, what go on? I say, I mean what go on? A studio with that, that go on. Forward. Now we go into the studio and we sing. Yeah, I have Grams Morgan for my last Picture Perfect album, same way too. You see, I have a big song with Sugar too.
Sugar.
You see?
Why body should me ever hear?
Body should me ever hear?
Yeah.
Oh, yo.
The old school, new school.
Old school, new school. Yo, me hear
Whichever way.
somebody, you know. But you have a thing with name. You have a thing, yeah, you have a thing with name. And so I always use some show them. Yo, the rhythm they bad. The rhythm they sick. I feel like Answer one of the baddest dancer rhythm ever. To tell you the truth. And you have a thing with name Punani.
Punani.
That rhythm there, brother.
Yeah.
I don't know if it could have get a better name.
Best you get one. I know, so you mentioned Killer Inspire and Miguel Collins and Myrie and the whole of the man them.
Yeah.
But, in your opinion, what the baddest DJ will ever exist?
Him dead, you know.
Yeah.
Major worries.
Major worries.
Yeah.
And the first man may say that the truth still.
I feel like major worries are the baddest thing.
But was it just his voice or everything?
Everything.
Everything.
So how I discover major words now is YouTube. I go up on one day and I watch some old thing because I some stay here because I love learn. I watch some old thing and I watch some live dance and see major words a DJ upon jam his sound. And I get stuck to the thing when I watch it pan now and realize this man is not a normal man. I end up called bounty killer. I say killer, I there watch some YouTube thing. Brother on major words. A killer say you never know. And me and killer go down in one history and killer teach me a lot even about major words. And then the other day now me and Luton a reason and major words name come up. Luton just randomly start mention major words because I know a Spanish town him forward from and Dirts man them and the whole of them man. Luton fire. Father was female was the ends where the man them used to get up and do the thing. But major words was way before his time. If Major Words was here now, doing what he was doing then, he would still be the baddest thing to ever DJ. So when you hear Shabba, you hear Bounty Killer and all of them man there, Major Words is them father in our music. When you listen to them and you listen to Major Words, you like I say, yeah.
Is there anything about the music presently that you don't like?
There's a lot of things that I don't like.
Anything you change if you had the power to?
I don't like how music I produce now in comparison to then.
Yes.
I just listen to, I think it was FM I listened to yesterday on Throwback. And when I hear them play like all scatter it rhythm them. Like all Elephant Man depend with the Chinese thing and them song there. And I hear them play like all Playground, Jeremy Hardy. I hear them play some Dave Kelly thing and I hear them thing down. And I say, yo, the producer them nowadays need to listen to some of them music here still. Because I realize that the music kind of monotonous. Me, I listen to a mixtape Saturday. Go on my virgin wedding Saturday, see? And he married a Pegasus. And we leave from Pegasus, forgot to do some picture up at Oak Garden. And the virgin car where I drive in, which was somebody who play a part in the wedding, he might play a mixtape in his car. And 50% of the mixtape I play, and all along I check say is a juggling. Because everything sound alike. When it change, no, I actually said to him, oh, I radio play. And him said, no, man, it's a mixtape. But I said, but the mixtape just start. When half of the mixtape play now, I said, but the mixtape just start. Because I just start hear a vibe. No, I literally said to him, say, that song here just sound good to me now. And that the rhythm is not in the song like the rhythm. And the rhythm I hear was the Jada Kingdom, Budum. I say, go. Budum, budum. That rhythm that I hear now, out of everything I play when it reach this, I realize there's something different to go on. Because that rhythm that sound different from everything when I hear all along. And I said to the youth, them say, you know, say music really not produce good though, because everything sound the same way. And that will make the artists them sound like them not ready. Because you end up with up on 10 rhythm and the 10 rhythm are going in the same direction, then it not give you no room to create. Some would have loved the producer them, Bridging. Just take something from Scatter them back then now and take something from
Dave and
from King Jammy's them no man and Steely them and you see me I say and Danny Brownie them just take something from the man them and produce from.
Man them one.
You see Just No Cone was one of them producers that who have creative ideas. Just go. Steve. Just go in at the man them catalog from and listen and you see? And even if you have to go link a man to play some, because even the song when I tell you I have right now when I produce with me and Beanie Man, who think I go for to play the drums on that? Sly.
Yeah.
I'm Sly and Robbie. You see? Because I want something different. I don't want the regular, everyday thing. So I say, yo, okay, I go produce a song with me and Beanie Man now. I can't make it sound like everything. So I have to go link a man like Sly. You see, and slide, where I talk about, man, slide deal with the drum like him at 10. You see, so just the production part of it. I mean, I go contribute to the negative. I go always try to develop that negative, the inner positive. And it don't make sense, I go there and I say, I don't like how the producer them I produce, but at the same time, I produce and I do the same thing. So me, I have to do something different, and that's why I have to use a man like Sly. You know, just an inspiration for even the other ones them same way. Yeah. Where I go probably hear the rhythm and say, oh, I love this. But the only reason why you probably love this is because it's different from what you've been at though. I mean, I put down no man because I'm happy for every man. I want every man to achieve, but at the same time, you can achieve way more than you're achieving if you just do something different.
Yeah. Bugle, you experience some of the challenges that young artists trying to get into the business face. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We know now that the easiest way for it is to come with something negative and some murder and some under this and under that. We have youth out there who have voice good songs, but them not reach the people. Some youth out there they want to give up. Any words of encouragement for them youth there?
Always. We always have words of encouragement because guess what going on now? I want us to have to continue being himself. Use me, Bugle, as an example. Use what me I do as some form of inspiration. Use what me I forward from as a stepping stone. Because as me say, you know, and as you know too, 2007 when me bust is not the art of Vice Cartel and Mother the War. And me chose to sing a song where say exercise every day and I'm still not fit while shooting a gun. So just imagine you there have a big war, a big war zone where every man a fire a rifle and you just jump up in the middle with one white flag. You understand what I say, fam? Yeah. And me was brave enough to do that. And it bring me to your sound me there now. So guess what going on now? If me, cause guess what going on? Enough you did sing gun song at the time and them last. Nobody not really pay them no mind. Them last because we not really want to hear you do this right now. All we want, the only two people who want to hear do this is Mother and Vibes Cartel. So true that them last, because them not being themselves, them trying to be other people. But me fall up in the midst of that being myself, and that's why I'm still there. That's why me and Cartel can still do a song. That's why me and Vado can do a song. That's why me and Sean Paul and Shaggy and all of them people can do song. You see? But as me say still, we not try to put down no one at all. Because life within itself is a journey. As long as you're alive, you're on a journey. And when you're not doing nothing, you're still on a journey because you're alive. You understand what I say? So the only thing I want to do is just try learn. Try educate yourself from no matter what it is. Try learn something each day. You understand what I say? No matter what it is, find a new word from. Go watch the news and you will hear something. Because even though the news tell you a lie, it's still a teacher. Teach them. See what I say? Yeah, so you have to just educate yourself, you know? Because you're going to hear things where you're going to probably go do some research and that are going to lead you to something else. That's how me learn enough things too. Enough of the youth them last. And as me say, sometimes your environment do that to you. So you have to find yourself by stepping out of the box because them put we in a box, you know, fam. You see, them have we in a box and as soon as you step out, if you don't know them, them will chop off your foot too, you know. So you have to firm when you step out to make them know so you step out firm. And then the joke thing, and you have to stand up.
Yeah.
You see? So be yourself, dada, and stop follow other people, man. Nobody do this because a man do that. You see, don't bother put bleach on your face because you like how the man they look. Something right about that.
We don't like
be
that
yourself.
Style there. Yeah.
You see, if you do it, nobody do it because John Tam and John Brown do it, man. You see, no matter what it is, just do it. Be yourself, even with the music. And try to sound like nobody. Just develop a sound for yourself. If you really love what you do, be creative.
Deep.
I have a song named Life Still Well.
Yeah.
I have to talk about that song there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because in the midst of everything what happening right now,
Life still well.
Life still well. You see? Yeah, for real, life still well because a lot of people lost them life and we all know what go on. We know everything what go on. Which You know, we don't really want to
Get into that.
get into that right now. But we see whole heap of life lost. The world upon lockdown, the whole world, you know, with upon policing because every man I look on them watch now and I say 10 o'clock gone and you see, I mean, I have to go in because we are under police.
Set up, yes.
You understand what I say? But in the midst of everything we are going, to tell the truth, a lot of people say 2020 was their worst year ever. I cannot say that. I've been through many worse years than 2020. You know.
So have I, sir.
Yeah, King. So I just one of them years that were, it wasn't good for none of us or for many of us, but we're still there and we're alive, we are live, and we can sit down and do an interview. You understand what I say? And just like everybody that I pray for 2020 done, 2021 start, nothing no stop. Everything still continues, so it's just a journey. You have to just give everything time and everything will go work itself out. Because Jah no tell lie, no King, and no man can take over Jah world, no King. Because Jah don't tell us if one of them word pass, heaven and earth I go pass, you know. And if that means heaven and earth can't pass, because none of them word no pass. You see? So you have to understand, say, no matter what you not have today, as long as you have life you still have a lot to give thanks for. Life still well. Me no man that prisoner do life bridging. And trust me, King, when you reason with them man there, you were free, come like a you they are prison and them free. Just the energy say you are free, say no, say life still well though. Because if my brethren can die prison and
he made still right.
Life and he made so deep and him so calm and so conscious and so positive within himself. Why so much youth out there so we have freedom and can do things so negative. You see? Life still well. You see? So just know say, yeah man, we do what we're supposed to do, brethren. I don't live to please people, but when I do pleasing to people because I do the right thing.
Give me peace of life still well, brother.
Hey yo, LV. Me no need people, not even for picture, no, me we take a selfie. Life still well, still well. All when them give we life sentence I hell. Still well, life are the greatest thing, yeah. My day I still a live and me see what heap a great man get fling where. Me bless me no know about stress now, me no deal with them thing there. Jah protect me through everything now, me no need them gathering there. Oh no, no, no. Have life so me have a lot. Might don't want no food today, but tomorrow food a day in the pot. All when me no have no cash, me still a try cash pot. Me no have no money for this a man, so me whole few sprat. Bend me mind to me condition, oh yes I might think that. If life is a battle, me win that. Boy, life are the greatest thing, yeah. My day I still a live and me see what heap a great man get fling where. My bless me no know about stress now, me no deal with them thing there. Jah protect me through everything now, me no need them gathering there. Oh no, no, no. Remember life is a process, so you have to wait for the progress. Stand firm, though hopeless. I inhale and I exhale, I'm so blessed. I work hard so a man I go wealthy, yeah. Jah done a help we, yeah. I mean, no worry about champagne, cause the truth is water healthier. Life are the greatest thing, yeah. My day I still a live and me see what heap a great man get fling where. My bless me no know about stress now, me no deal with them thing there. Jah protect me through everything now, me no need them gathering there. No, 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 no. Natural born, ease out.
Ease out. For the people out there who want to get in touch with Bugle, you know what dub plate, because you know sound still a play and sound still a dead and them something and whatever else it is. A man
That's an Instagram.
IG?
Yeah, because IG are the leading social media. Yeah, so Bugle 90, Buglean, the number 9, TED, Bugle 90. And from you find me over Bugle 90, then all of the information is right there. So it connect you to Facebook, it connect you to management, it connect you to me if you go in on my DM and send me a message. You know, sometimes I don't see the message in a week or two, but me eventually I go see the message. So from you link me then, that's the right thing to do.
As me say, I run now look road back the other day.
No, that's not one roadblock, man. That's one hurricane.
We got to be research, brother.
Yeah, fam.
I wasn't disappointed.
Fam, when
Yeah,
I
that's what I
see, when I see the thing on social media, brother, like me, I say,
Yeah.
I watch this again. I watch this again.
Yeah.
I'm here to teach them, I say, I'm not familiar with the track.
Yeah.
And I say, I'll teach them to know that song, yeah. As a man in the thing and deep in the thing, to teach them is not a regular bridging, you know. You see in here, we're bound to kill, I say, teach them. You see? Make it reach them. You see? But at the end of the day, I say it, go man, and give thanks for Daddy Lizard too. We highlight it, we actually, probably, I know you alone never know about it. And I know everybody know about it up to this moment.
Yes.
But at least with him loving the song,
Yes.
it reached more people.
Yeah, man.
So we have to give thanks for that same way. And big up Daddy Lizard, big up Noah Power, big up Norman Alexander.
Norman Alexander deal with the hook. Never.
Terrible, man.
Yeah.
And big up LMR. LMR is actually the producer who produced the song. Yeah, it's actually my first single from a Picture Perfect album, that song.
All right, your first verse, because I two verses you have in there.
Yeah.
Long so.
Yeah.
Give me both just one look piece at brother.
I would start again. I can relate, it wasn't optional. Give it my full 100, it wasn't fractional. Father said go learn a real trade, me say me not interested. Music me love, so that's where my time will be investing. And that's how me start write songs and build slangs. First big artist me link with was Papa San, but things take a turn for the worse when him got turn Christian. Every studio where him turn up me the gate lock pan. Make a link with Chuck Invite, Piranha hear couple song. Link me a Corville after that and tell me feed them a one. Few days after that him bring it, a Bounty Killer sing it. The joy with that give me you wouldn't understand. Then after that me start write songs for Elephant Man. Me used to call him me dope, sell the well him and me dan. Well heap a tour, 1 million show, tour done not just $2,000. That's when me tell myself say yo me must move on. Here come SSMG sign me, then Serrano find me. That's here I hear my voice and say your body need for join me. Exercise vice in a mask and it hit by me. Everywhere me go, night and day me hear it play. So you know the show start coming, so me start get paid. Check out my catalog now if you want to know how me things stay. God bless the Seeker, cause them help me for the year. So today, produce 2 albums for myself, the 3rd one just drop a day. Oi. Music saved my life.
Big song, bro. Because of that low down, the one can't trick me again. brother, it's a joy, sir. You understand? And without saying it, Zane, a long time when I listen to Bugle. You understand? We know, as me say, I don't know the song they slip through. Because many of the songs, we know all of the songs them, but many of the songs that we know, and a song them we can't sing, song them when we playlist, but I don't saw it go. I appreciate the man, humility, you understand? I appreciate the man, musical gifts too, and your contribution to the music. And I didn't know you play such integral role in so many people thing.
Yeah.
You understand? So you don't only give us music from you, but from other people.
Yeah, man.
We
do.
That's joy, brother. Appreciate the opportunity.
Give thanks.
You know, I think go big up yourself. Mad thing.
God bless.
Yeah.
Teach them. Make it reach them. Me exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are hungry and I ain't got. Don't tell me what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do. What would you do? Cause some people stop by obstacles, my journeys continue. The devil is always gonna be round haunting you. Every single day he will be taunting you. Babylon always looking something to. Cause if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God, him never sleep, him wake, him no make mistake. So blame it on the friends them in the surrounding way. And me say, what have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not no criminal, and what have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Come at my funeral, and what have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not no criminal, and what have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Me mean that literal. I don't worry about them pagans. Me done to them through me Ray-Ban. Teach them say we no worried about them roaches. Cause me done have me vegan. And we no worry about life. But me worry about the hate. Tell them me no worried about what gone already. When me worry about what not going yet. Baby, me woulda there with you, but guess what? No healthy. Because me know say it no help. You want hype up me laid back. You want load up me, don't play that. Yeah, me woulda there with you, but guess why no healthy? Because me know say it no help. You want be star, but I'm me up. Me want soul food, you want burger. In the Rasta party, yeah. Everything turn upload. Everybody will listen, we say we make them proud. Fresh like water in the grass, me no green, lot of prince and princess, kings and queens. Yeah, everything turn upload. Everybody will listen, we say we make them proud. Fresh like water in the grass, me no green, lot of prince and princess. And when you see me and my friends, them roll out, anything goes. The ones we like, so anything goes. We spear a night when me jump on my bike, everything alright, so anything. Take on the street, me say anything goes. Girls in the jeep, so anything. Knapsack full of cash, teach them strap. Me take on the block, so anything. We now work with that, and we no like them style them. We no want that profile there. Funny money you run, we no want that Kyle there. Hope you a work and we now work with that. And we no like them style there. You know what me say now? Bugle, I cover the world like Google and we can go till morning, dawning. Out there. Burn it up. Hey. See it there. Condolences to all of the life we lost. Me no know why them gone so fast. Condolences. To all of the life we end. One day we might see them again. Condolences. Don't worry about your brethren. Wait your put him there heaven and wait. And them a go meet you at a pearly gate dressed in a all white. Everything alright. A guide and a protect we all night. Have a blessed 2021. Stay strong. Guidance and protection. Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I. Rastafari.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.